channel helping you invest in yourself so you guys can invest in the future. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure that bell notification is lit. You guys do not want to miss out. We are going live at a moment's notice, everybody. Yes, it's one of those days. It's a techno day, everybody. So turn up the volume on your speakers. Let's have a little bit of fun. We ate that dip yesterday, and we got in exactly where we were, right where we were supposed to fit in, okay? So let's let the live stream fill up. Let me share my screen. Let's get some more people up in here. If you guys can share it as well, that'd be very important, very crucial for us to keep growing. Let me grab this link myself off of X and get everybody on the same page, everybody. So let's turn up today. Today's a great day. Those who have been tapped in with me on my live streams, you guys know that yesterday we were talking about Ordi token and some of the tokens that tend to move with Bitcoin. When Bitcoin starts to do really well, these coins also start to do relatively well. So we want to make sure that we pay attention to these, okay? Let's let me go ahead and grab this link really quick and share this right here. This is what we're talking about. We're talking about Ordi right here. Up just a little while ago, I posted it was 60%, right? And now it's already up 151%. I'm still holding this trade. I'm probably going to close this trade because profits are better than wages, right? And when you're trading futures, that's what you kind of do. Right now, that trade is up at 149%, 150%. So it's fluctuating right there. I still think that it's probably going to go up probably another, I don't know, 150%. Great to hear you, Rico. OG Brett is here. See OG Brett in the house, man. Let's share the live stream. We're going to do a live stream this morning show. We're also going to do a later afternoon show. Yesterday's afternoon show was absolutely lit. I mean, we had over 200 and something people. We were moving and grooving. So we're definitely going to, okay, what's up, Jack? We got Emil. We got Mitch. We got Jack, Can Do. We got everybody pulling up. Let me grab this right here. Make sure you guys are sharing this absolutely everywhere. Let's let the live stream fill up. Let's get it a little bit packed up in here, and then we're going to get the show going, everybody. Let me share this. Share this within your own little groups. Share this in your little DJing groups, your trading groups, if people actually want to trade and make some money. Anybody who was watching the live stream yesterday, anybody who's really tapped in with me, if you're tapped in the Moneybags Mansion, like whether it's a DeFi token and we're finding something hot, a great community, if it's XPX, if it's, if it's Can Do, if it's this or if it's that, it doesn't matter. We're finding the hot plays, everybody. That's just the facts, all right? So it's real important that we share this channel because this channel helps other people grow, okay? There's a lot of other channels that like to scare you. You guys know how they do it, right? They like to put a little bit of fear in you. They like to snatch up your position, and then they like to come back down on those clouds and act like they were saving you somehow. But we're not going to play that over here, everybody. When everybody was spooked yesterday and everybody was saying, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, I was telling everybody that maybe we should be looking at this not as an obstacle, but an opportunity. And I think that's what has to happen in this space a little bit more often than it's already, than it's happening, because the minute there's some kind of pullback, there's like this automatic panic, and we have to stop looking at these pullbacks as obstacles and start looking at them as opportunities, right? If it's your conviction play, what's up, Rico? XPX, LFG, yes, man, XPX, man, we're doing big things. What's up, David? I see you pulling up, man. Mr. Mo, man, love seeing everybody pull up very, very strong. We're starting to, XPX is even turning around. We shook out most of those wallets. There's one more wallet that, you know what, they have made some money. I've been paying attention to it. They still hold a little bit. We're going to expose them as well. We're going to show all their holdings and stuff. And it shows why they've been selling their XPX, because they've made bad decision after bad decision after bad decision. So XPX is honestly the only trade that has been making them any money. Yo, Rico, hope everything is good with you. Decent bounce back by Can Do today. Up 41% on the day. We're going to check that out. That's Reality Escapist. We got Alma up in here talking about Duco. We got Deathwish Crypto, Rico Moneybags, another banger stream. What's up, Deathwish, man? Appreciate you, man. Appreciate the Raid Sharp bot, what you guys do for us. We've been using that bot to the fullest. Just doing what we're supposed to be doing, having everybody raid. So make sure you guys check out the Raid Shark bot, guys, as well, man. Very important. But yesterday when everybody was doing the doom and gloom stuff, you guys know the big channels, right? The, oh my God, the red arrows going down, the ones that love to play with your emotions. But somehow I think YouTube even promotes them because they're so they're a danger to people's emotions. Honestly, we can go to X and see these guys right now. Now they call it the Black Monday. What happened? Nothing happened. It's called a correction, okay? It's called, it has to happen. So that infrastructure disappears and everybody moves into this infrastructure, okay? BlackRock didn't sell any Bitcoin. I don't care what the biggest YouTube channels are saying. Do not pay attention to them. Do not pay attention to the doom and gloom guys. Those are the doom and gloom boomers, right? I am bullish on Bitcoin. If you ask me if I'm bullish on Bitcoin yesterday, I was bullish on Bitcoin. If you ask me how much is Bitcoin right now, I'm going to tell you it's cheap, everybody. It's cheap because Bitcoin is going to zero or is going to $1 million. So is it cheap at 60 something thousand? Is it cheap at 50 something thousand? Absolutely, it's cheap. So all your doom and gloom big YouTubers, I mean, I guess if you want your thrill for the day, if you want your emotional roller coaster for the day, instead of staying, I mean, dialed in, say dialed in, all the way dialed in. Do not. Now, if you like that type of stuff, if you're the type of person who wants to, watch, you're not getting enough of your 51 Shades of Grey, and you're not getting enough of your emotional roller coaster, and you need some excitement in your life, and that's why you watch those guys that 1 minute they're saying, oh my God, it's all over, and then the next day they say, oh, I told you it wasn't over. It's like, man, how is your channel so big and you guys literally cap nonstop? You guys literally play with everybody's emotions nonstop. How are these channels so big? That's why it's very important that we grow this channel. It's very important that we grow this channel because this channel has all your favorite projects and it doesn't have none of that doom and gloom crap. It's just crap, everybody. I'm sorry to come on a little hot this morning because you know what? We're doing really good. And I'm seeing, these other channels that what do? They just try to put fear into the market. And did BlackRock sell anything yesterday? No, BlackRock wasn't selling. They weren't buying either, but they weren't selling. Now, if you caught my live stream yesterday, I was talking about we're letting the live stream fill up. I see you guys. We're going to push it to about the 10-minute mark. I want to get as many people up in here. Rico, my man, Crow with Knife is holding strong. Yeah, we're going to cover Crow with Knife. You guys know that we're going to cover everybody. Rico, how are you? Sorry for not attending your stream during the during the past few days. Was traveling, man. I'm glad to have you back, man. I was wondering where you was at, man. I'm glad you're back. And you know what? Early morning to you, Rico, brother. Appreciate you, Neuron. Man, appreciate all you guys pulling up nonstop, man. Rico is the boss. Caw. We got Boss Fan pulling up with a new, you got a new, what is that, a new NFT there? Okay, I see you guys. Caw, Rico. Morning, sir. What's up, man? Good day to you guys all, man. Good day to you guys, man. Good day. Z Gorgeous, I see you. T Coop, I see you. Fofar, I see you. Boss Fam, of course. Vamos, Web3 all the way. Man, yesterday, I put my money where my mouth, right where my mouth was, right? Because yesterday I was talking about this Ordi token, right? And talk is cheap, everybody. Talk is cheap. That's why they talk out of their elbows and everything. They're 1 minute they're red, 1 minute they're green. But you know what? Talk is cheap. So I went and grabbed that same position that I was talking about, grabbing a position on Ordi token. And right now it's currently up. Right now it's still up. I'm looking at my phone right now. It's still up 150%. It's holding pretty strong. I think it's going to probably go up to about 200%. And I'm going to scrape some profits off of it. I'm not afraid. Now, when it comes to futures trading, you're supposed to be taking profits off the table. You're supposed to be snatching these profits off the table. If you guys are interested in this, I want you guys not to just rush into this either. I don't care about getting the referrals or whatever. I want you guys to do this. If you guys want to do this, I'll show you how to do it the right way. Notice my leverage is 10x. I'm not doing no 50x. I'm not doing 100x. We're not. That's how you get wrecked, everybody. You can't even go to sleep when you do it like that. You can't even go to sleep when you put that much leverage, okay? So make sure that you guys don't put a lot of leverage. But I put my money where my mouth was, and we're holding Ordi token, and I want to show you guys that when it comes to these plays, when the markets were scared, did the banter guys tell you guys to snatch up anything, or were they telling you to crap your pants? Were all the big YouTubers, the ones that everybody likes to watch with all those red thumbnails? I might start doing the red thumbnails too. I don't know, man. Maybe they work. Maybe you know what? Maybe starting tomorrow, we're going to have some fun. I'm going to have somebody make me a red thumbnail. I'm going to have somebody make me a red thumbnail with all the arrows pointing down because it seems to be working. It seems to be working. Now everybody's talking about major crypto comeback. We talked about that yesterday. Everybody's talking about it today. We talked about it yesterday in the afternoon. We didn't wait till the next day. I told everybody that they liquidated everybody and their mom. And when that happens, usually it's a good time to snatch up some position. Red thumbnails for engagement, baiting. Yep. I'm about to copy the banter guys. That's what they do. The banter guys, that's all they do is put red thumbnails. If I would need a psychiatrist if I listened to the banter guys, I swear. If the banter guys, I would literally need a psychiatrist. I would think that the world is over if I was listening to these guys. I see them all the time. Don't be like others. You are the main one. I appreciate you, brother. I appreciate you. Everyone is boy. Tell me about it. They just run it. I'm telling you, bro, it's crazy. So look, the markets are, and they're not sure what they want to do, right? We're seeing some doji candles, right? That's when the buyers and sellers don't know what to do. They're pushing each other out. But BlackRock didn't sell anything, everybody. Bitcoin is going to $1 million or is going to zero, everybody. So it's still cheap. Now, if you can't DCA and the markets pull back like crazy, don't even look at your portfolio. You know what? Go raid, go shill, go make an X post. And if you can't even do that, because if you engage in some type of way, you're going to end up looking at your portfolio, go touch some grass, get out the house. Go, don't take your phone with you. Leave your phone in the car. Go for a hike. I see Z Gorgeous laughing and stuff. MSI, we are strong. Thank you, Rico. Of course, man. The Volted Garbage, man. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you, brother. Man, appreciate you what you're doing too, man. My grandfather worked as a garbage man in Chicago. I heard some crazy stories, man. So you guys definitely put in some work, man, for sure. If BlackRock is invested, I know it can't crash. Tell me about it. Look, everybody. The last bull run, there was no BlackRock, none of these big people coming in. We raid like there's no tomorrow. I love that. I love that. Touching grass is what crows do best on the weekends. That's what's up, Niran. That's what everybody should do. If you can't DCA it's because honestly, I think that a lot of those red thumbnails, what they do is they cause a little bit of panic and they get people to panic sell, right? Perspective is everything. Absolutely. Z Gorgeous. I mean, that you're speaking my lingo. The thing is that people live under perception, right? They don't live under perspective. These are two different things. Your perception is when you see a red thumbnail, right? You're thinking everything's going down, right? It's just because you're perceiving this. You're using your senses, right? And that's where your perception comes from. Your perspective comes from the information, right? The stuff that you gather. And it gives you an edge because now you have almost like inside information. The only inside information we got is that this is like never before that we had all these people coming into the markets, all these funds talking about they want Bitcoin, BlackRock, Grayscale, Fidelity. This was not like last bull run, everybody. This was not like last bull run, everybody. There was none of this talk. It was only, I guess, like big people on X and stuff when it was still Twitter. Certain whales buying stuff like that, but it was not like what we have now. I mean, now it's on a whole different thing. And yeah, Bitcoin went kind of like where they talked about it on the news. But remember, a lot of people were still shunning it, right? Remember Mr. Wonderful acting like he didn't know nothing about it. And then they start coming back around. So back in the last bull run, they were not allowed to speak that bullish on Bitcoin because they already knew they had to collapse it so their buddies can snatch up positions all the way up to where we're at now. And now they're continuing. You think just because the ETF, the BlackRock ETF went live, they weren't buying Bitcoin way before that? I'm sure that they allowed the market to all the way crash for that last bull run, and they were buying it up the whole time. And then now at these higher prices, they start talking about, the ETFs, but they're already in there. Exhale was the crash. Man, I see everybody pulling up crazy, man. Perseverance is the key. Absolutely, man. Free game session, man. That's what I told them today. I said I was giving free game away, man. Come join the live stream, giving free game away, okay? Now, I want to remind everybody where we're at in this point in history, everybody. It's very important. Now, if you guys can do me a favor, run up the likes. And definitely run up the comments and stuff. Let me remind everybody. I know this gets tedious, but you know what? We got to do this not just for you, but I'm doing it for me too. I'm making sure that I remember where we're at, because if it was up to the stuff that YouTube puts on my home screen, man, I'd forget. I'd forget if it was what YouTube was, putting out. This is where you're at right here, man. This is where you're at right here, my people. My people. This is you right here. This is where you're at right here. This is you just standing over here ready to send it. You're like, what? What am I doing over here? What? What's going on? Let's put some curly hair on this guy. This is me right here, right? Got some curly hair. This is us before we do this. No matter what. No matter what. So yesterday, we had some fun, and I had a title because I see that damn near works. You know, is the bull run over? Is the bull run over? How can the bull run be over, everybody? How can it be over if it hasn't happened, if we haven't came up here yet? So all these people trying to scare you, all these people on the left side of the chart, man, I promise you, you guys are on the left side of the chart. And the thing is, I see you choking. There's a couple other people inside of XPX. There's a couple other people that I know from other communities as well that it's their first time in the market. And my first time in the market, I didn't know about this rainbow chart. Boy, I wish I would have known. It would have been easier for me to accept it would have been easier for me to accept when the bear market was in. If I would have known, I just missed it. But I don't want you guys to miss this opportunity. I don't want you guys buying into, all this stuff that people are putting out there. This is where we're at right here. No matter what, your favorite projects, if these communities stay strong, if whatever project just hunkers down, when the real money starts to come in. I remembered the last bull run. If you remember the last bull run, you could have called the token chitty chitty bang bang and it would have flew, okay? It didn't matter what you called it. It didn't matter what you called the project. We have not reached that yet. You know why we have not reached that yet? Yeah, we see certain tokens flying and certain, but the reason we haven't seen chitty chitty bang bang take off. Now, when chitty chitty bang bang takes off, that means any project that launches, they're just flying into the hundreds of millions. That's how you know that retail is starting to come in. Retail. There we go. My bad. We lost connection for a second. We're back, though. We're back, everybody. We are back, everybody. Okay, let's keep it moving. But retail is not coming up. We see Fofar up in here. We see everybody pulling up. Crow with Knife, absolutely one of the first ones pull up. OG Bread in the house pulled up first. Crow with Knife pulled up next. Man, we're doing great. Now let's talk about Bitcoin. Let's talk about Bitcoin, right? We were covering this, right? And we said that it was oversold, right? We knew this, right? Because prior, we said that, hey, it's extremely overbought. No matter what they were saying in the markets. So we knew there was going to be a pullback. I said, hey, most likely we're going to pull back because no matter what, we're overbought. We have to pay attention to that. Now, we were constantly hitting this like 56K. We hit it again. Now, this time we did pull back lower than anybody expected. It happens because you have YouTube channels that create panic and havoc in the space. You have YouTubers influencers, whatever you want to call them, that like to cause they have fun doing this. I think they get their kicks off or something like that. But you'll have people where they sell a little bit more. You'll also have people being liquidated like there's no tomorrow. This has to happen. This has to happen, okay? And I've been through it many times myself. This is why I can talk about this stuff, okay? Yep. Talking about names, XPX, genius. Very simple, man. X pays X, man. It's very simple. It goes back to, you guys got to understand how much I love this space. You guys got to understand how much I love this thing called Bitcoin. Go read the Bitcoin white paper. What is it? What does it say right in the beginning? Peer to peer. X pays X, okay? That is the fundamentals of things, everybody. It's supposed to be where eventually there is no third party. If we want to use a third party, like, XPX being an off-ramp, right? We're letting people off-ramp using these Visa cards and stuff like that. But I have some things up my sleeve for the future, down the road, that also helps out with, the overall fundamentals of that white paper of peer-to-peer. And that's why the name is XPX, everybody. X pays X, peer-to-peer, everybody. But we definitely need to use some of these resources, and we will. We'll use the off-ramp solutions that we have. We'll set up the merchant solutions that we're going to get everybody to make sure that they're using. We'll do our Web3 marketplace. There's a lot of things to come. Hit that like button, everybody, saying yes, man. Literally digging gems for all communities. Absolutely, man. Free game session, man. That's what I called it. That's what I said on this tweet right here. It's funny. I love the name. I said free game right here. So I must have summoned you free game session. This was for you right here. Where are we at right now? We're at 139%. It's still up right now. I think it's still going to go up a little bit more. Bitcoin's looking pretty good. And, you know, we got a nice green candle on the daily. And you're going to see how Ordi on basically moves with it. On the higher time frames, the orange line is not going to be perfect because Ordi came out later. But watch when we lower it down. Go to this 15-minute chart. I mean, this thing's moving exactly like Bitcoin. You see that? You see how Ordi's moving exactly. Stream is going crazy. My bad for the stream acting up, everybody. Let me know if you guys can still hear me. We're going to push right through, everybody. But check this out really quick. We got, let me break this down. Okay, so right here on the 4-hour chart, coming from the oversold, the 4-hour chart's a very powerful chart when it's like on the oversold going to this overbought. So you know what? You know, coming up to what, $30? I can see that. Coming back up to that round number, the $30 range. That's a nice trade for Rico Moneybags right there. I'll probably be up like 200 and some percent. That's a nice little trade on Ordi. I can actually just, you know, if we put a decent trade with the right margin where you don't have to worry about it, you can really hold it a lot longer. I really don't like to do that, to be honest with you. I like to just, I like to do it like where I don't got no emotional attachment to it, you know? Appreciate you, Naran. Appreciate you. What's up, brother? I see Meme Coins 100X, man. We got Sandro Bird Dog in the house pulling up. Let's go, man. Everybody pulling up really strong. I appreciate you guys, man. Much love and respect, man. We're doing what we're supposed to be doing for this space, not just for XPX, you know, my baby, but for everybody, for Crow with Knife, for Kendu, for MSI. I want everybody to win, and I'm living that all the time. I'm not just saying that, I'm living it every single day for you guys, okay? So let's go over Bitcoin's price. Let's layer this chart up and see what we got. Bitcoin getting back above the 57K is going to be looking really good. And remember, we're really going to know when the game's on. Appreciate you, Splice TV. Man, we got a lot of people pulling up. We got John, hedge your bets. Hedge your bets, man. Where's Hedge at, man? Call the Hedge community. I haven't seen you guys in a while, man. Pull up. Pull up, man. We're going to have an afternoon show as well. The afternoon show was, man, a lot of fun. So make sure you guys got your bell notifications lit. But let's layer this chart up. We're waiting for that long position. Remember on this oversold section, then we got this long and there was this nice ride. We had this nice little ride up right here. It didn't happen exactly picture perfect. You see this little pink line I drawn. But when we broke out, we went up. It just was a lot sharper. I thought maybe it was going to go a little bit like a little sweep like that. It didn't happen like that, right? We can get this one out the way. It just happened a little bit more vertically, but whether it happened or not, it happened. I mean, it just didn't happen like swooshy. It just kind of went whoop, just like that, which, hey, I'm not complaining, but what happens when it goes up like that, it also comes down just like that, right? So that's something that you guys got to pay attention to when, you know, when they move up really fast like that and kind of in a vertical direction, they also pull down in that direction as well, right? Let us cook. Let them cook. Oh, my God. I love this community, man. We have been growing so much. This channel is absolutely for everybody. Make sure we get this channel to over 20K. We're at 16,000, almost 16,300, which is pretty amazing. It's actually been picking up quite a bit of steam. I think everybody's realizing that this channel is for everybody. This channel has your bag. So on your downtime, you should be advertising this channel. You should begin to this channel as much exposure as you can, because what channel is talking about your Crow with Knife every day? Don't worry, I'll wait. What channel is talking about your Kendu every single day? Don't worry, I'll wait. What channel is talking about your XPX every single day? Don't worry, I'll wait. That's because those other influencers have to wait till the devs give them something and then they'll talk about your guys' bag. I want you to win, okay? I'm already doing my own thing. I'm already doing my own thing. I'm not even doing it that aggressively, because I already know that if you got your backs positioned really good, the bull run's gonna take us to heights like we never seen before, and that's right around the corner, everybody. I mean, that's literally, we locked in, Rico. Appreciate you, man. Oink, oink. You guys know the one for XPX is cha-ching. Rico Moneybags. What's up, man? Appreciate you guys, man. Rico holds it down, period. Tell them, man. Yeah, exactly, man. I'm doing it for everybody's community, man. Everybody's single community. I want you guys to win. These other guys will only do it once the devs hit their wallet with something, okay? But you guys get to pull up here to this show every single day and in some form, not have to wait for a dev to get something done. Rico around during dark and light. Yeah, man. I'm not gonna stop, man. I promise you, I'm not gonna stop. I just had somebody else tell me today I'm a machine. You guys don't even know. You guys don't even know. I'm not all the way back well, but I'm almost all the way. We still got a couple more things to shake off, but we're gonna shake them off, man. We're gonna shake them off. Smart investors right now. Smart money's activating right now. Let's see what these numbers are at. Where are we at? We got 67 people total live combined on YouTube and X. We're doing really good. We got 36 over here. All right, cool. Okay, we're doing good. All right, so we still haven't got no long signals on our Bitcoin. Okay, so David, really, brother? Where's David? Meme Coin 100. Yeah, man. It's XPX all the way, man. And we're gonna expose another wallet really quick with XPX. So make sure you guys stay tapped in. That's why this person's been selling, because actually XPX is their only winning. When you look at their wallet, it's the only thing that's actually made the money. All their other ones, they're in the negative. So no wonder they keep selling, and they've made some money. I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna be transparent about everything. Okay, they've done really well, but I've been noticing what they're doing is they're exiting. Then they're transferred to another. We're going to show you. We're going to show you how to track these wallets. They transfer to another wallet, and then they're sending it to an exchange. So they're not even reinvesting into none of the other projects that they have. They're literally taking the money that they got from XPX. Is the only one that's done good. All the other ones inside their wallet, when we show you, they're not doing too good. They're not doing too good. All right, so we don't have no long positions on Bitcoin, everybody, right? I like when I get my long position. I like when it says go long, Rico. And we haven't got that just yet. We're most likely going to get one right here. But what's going to happen is going to be most likely a little breakout here and then something like that. If we can hold it the long, because we can see that we're overbought, okay, on this 15-minute chart. So it's probably going to do something like that and then get the long, but consolidate and then keep it moving like that. We'll see what's up. But right now, I know the markets are still on edge. People are not too sure what they should do, or maybe they shouldn't do. But let's look at Ordi right here. Everybody who up there with us, we work every day. We never stop. Yep. I mean, Coin 100X, Rico up there with us. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. David, you know that, man. David putting it in nonstop as well. The whole team is just, look, if the team had a YouTube channel, they'd be on just as much as I am. Maybe, right? I don't know. I almost don't want nobody to do what I do, you know? It takes a lot. You got to be a little bit mad, okay? And I'm not talking about angry, but you got to be a little bit of a madman. You got to have a method to your madness. But these guys, I mean, you can see them in our chat every single day. You see Marlon, you see David, you see Ali every single day. And you see our mods and admins actually turning up, man. And we're going to promote some more people so we can get some more rating done. Been talking to we're going to have I've got a meeting with Troll King. I want to talk with Troll King about that stuff. So Troll King, maybe later on today we could do it. I got some things I got to do. Of course, I've been taking advantage of how the markets are to take care of some things behind the scenes, everybody. This is the best time. Before all the hype comes back, this is the best time to take advantage of what's going on. Okay, so we're looking at Ordi still. Ordi looking really good. Ordi. Okay. Let's see. I'm liking what I'm seeing with Ordi, man. I'm liking what I'm seeing with Ordi nonstop. Right? Having a little bit of pullback. I think these pullbacks have to happen because it just broke past that 200 moving average. Do a little bounce like that, and then it'll probably rally up here to test this 30. It could, right? It depends. If Bitcoin keeps going up, it will follow. Okay. If it doesn't, you see how it's almost moving identical to Bitcoin. You guys see that, right? This orange line right here. If you guys are new to the channel, I want to show you guys. I know a lot of you guys are like, man, why is he showing this again? Because there's new people subscribing to the channel, and the more people that we educate, the less panic selling happens. The more people make money. Okay. You see this right here, this orange line? This is a nice little trick that if you're trading, what you do is you hit the plus sign right here. Don't click on this to look for the token. You hit the plus sign. And then you come over here and you hit, it's going to be like this, but you'll hit new price scale. Okay. What's going to happen? You're going to see this pop up. You can add whichever one you want. And I got BTC. So whatever project I'm looking at and I'm trading, I wanted to move with Bitcoin. I wanted to hold Mona Lisa's hand. I call Bitcoin the Mona Lisa of cryptocurrency. I want people really don't understand why everybody loves it. It's kind of weird, right? Right? Isn't the Mona Lisa kind of anomaly? Is like, she's not the best looking lady in the world, but I mean, she's special. And Bitcoin probably wasn't the best looking investment when it first started off, but it's special. So it's like this weird little thing. And I don't know, it stuck with me ever since I called it the Mona Lisa, right? I don't know why, but a guy's name doesn't fit that good on it. But I think it's the Mona Lisa. I think it was painted by a guy, and it's beautiful like the Mona Lisa in a sense, and not just like natural beauty, but it's just the technicality of it is beautiful, right? Just like the Mona Lisa, the painting itself is absolutely beautiful. To have the first lady kind of with this little smirk or whatever and all this stuff going on is what made it happen. Okay, so but nonetheless, I wanted to hold the hand of the Mona Lisa. I wanted to hold Bitcoin's hand, and we can see that it does that, right? So there's some pullback. Bitcoin pulls back. You see how Bitcoin, that orange line, turned right back around, because Bitcoin's going to turn right back around. 56, 112, 56, 130. When you add this over here, you also get that to pop up over there. You see that? You see how we got the price of ORDI, but we also have the price of Bitcoin at the same time? And that's important to have your screen set up like this. If it only has one, you're not going to get a perspective. This is what this is giving you. Actually, this is what this gives you. It gives you a lot of perspective. We got 73 people with us live. Absolutely amazing. When we get to the 100 people mark, we start shilling everybody's back. So it's important that you share this live stream if you guys want to talk about all your favorite projects, okay? But we got ORDI turning right back around. We got Bitcoin turning around. And I suspect that it's going to continue to turn around. Obviously, it's going to pull back after it just rallied up. People taking profits. But you can see, look at this orange line. ORDI moved basically very similar to what Bitcoin did. So I'm suspecting that there's going to be some more pumping going on. Now, obviously, Bitcoin has not got that long position yet. So taking some profits on this ORDI trade when I'm done with the live stream is probably good, right? Because we haven't got, that long position yet. Now, let's look at ETH really quick. And hopefully you guys shared the live stream to the fullest right there. We're going to talk about XPX. We're going to look at some funny wallets. People's only great trade was XPX. And for some reason, you're not supposed to sell your winners. Really. You're supposed to support your winners and cut your losses with your losses. Let your losers go and hold your winners. But people don't do this, They'll sell their winners and they'll hold on to their losses. They don't know how to hit the sell button once they're too far in the negative, right? They just got to hold it forever. And that's kind of a little bit of a trading philosophy when it comes to like futures trading, because obviously even in the DeFi space, we don't sell, we just hold because we're very young projects. But when it comes to this space right here, once you're done with the trade, you're done. Okay, you get out. Let's start off over here on the daily chart. So we got a nice green candle printing over here. We see how it follows Bitcoins. We're going to get this out the way. Pretty sure you guys understand that. We have not got that long position. Let's layer the chart up on ETH. Looking good. If you're looking for a trade, even on ETH, it's probably going to be looking really, really good. I still think that there's going to be a little bit more consolidation, a little bit more to the right, moving to the right. But overall, there has been some form of a bounce back, and it's just oversold on the ETH side. So I don't know how much more oversold it can be. Sometimes it can just kind of consolidate for a while and do its thing, but nonetheless, when Bitcoin takes off, it's going to pump. MSI, what's up, Roy? What's up, everybody? Spam the comments, man. I know it's early. Maybe you guys are just waking up. You guys still got some cheese in your eyes. Get the cheese out your eyes. Let's wake up together. Let's grind together, okay? Now let's talk about XPX, everybody. Let's refresh your screen. We're doing really good. I'm going to get on Dex Tools and show you guys the one that I'm talking about in just a bit. They actually have made quite a bit of money, but we're starting to step to the right. We're finding that support right here. It's very exciting. We're getting a lot of new people. And honestly, that's why XPX is very powerful, because we're one of the projects that are actually getting people from outside of Smart DeFi to step in. And those are the ones that are becoming really solid holders, because I'm noticing a lot of those rogue wallets that we're dumping, unfortunately, and it kind of sucks, to be honest with you guys. And I just got to be transparent. I can't lie to you guys. They actually come from the FEG ecosystem. So it's kind of unfortunate that, people can see a solid project and actually fade one of the most solid projects on Smart DeFi. And we're going to highlight this wallet, and we're just going to keep it we're going to keep it 100 with everybody, nonstop, everybody, nonstop. If you guys like the truth, come over here. People who don't like the truth, just try it out. They'll run. They will run. So there's new wallets coming in that are holding XPX. And you know what? This turnaround is going to happen, right? This is looking absolutely amazing. There's going to be shakeouts. We shook one wallet out all the way. We even did it while we were live. I know they were watching. They're probably still watching. We highlighted their wallet, and they literally sold the rest of it while we were live. I said, I can't wait till they get all the way out, because all they were doing was purposely selling $20 at a time, $15 at a time, $10 at a time, to just continue putting selling pressure, because they are not happy in their life, everybody. We have to understand that when you make something great, there are people out there that are willing to attack it because they hate their lives, everybody. Do not think that everybody's out here just hoping that there's great projects that are going to be successful. There is something called envy, everybody. Do you guys know that? That they'll rather crash something than something go good? There are people that sad in this space, everybody. Now let's highlight this wallet really quick. Let's put this person on blast. This wallet right here. This one actually has made a good amount of money, $6K off a $300 investment. But when we look at all their other trades, it's no wonder why they've been taking money off the table, because all their other trades that they hold. And what sucks is that this person's from the Fed community, because here goes the clap coin. Here goes your clever, your crypto dev fever, your DeFi with knife that they tried, trying to, which I didn't support that. They were trying to bite Crow with knife and try to make something called DeFi with knife on Smart DeFi, which I thought that was a joke. But we could see that they hold Feg Charity, Feg Staking right here, FD, Feg SD Staking. So they're from our own Feg with Hat. And none of these are doing good for them, by the way. Smart Pepe, Smart Doge, Smart Pepe again, Staking Paradise. We know what happened with that one. Tactical Nuke. So none of the only thing knocking it out the park for them. Can't make everyone happy, Rico. Haters will hate. I know that. But I also want to highlight them. But check this out. This is what's going on with this wallet. This is what they do on a regular basis. What they do is they sell, because XPX is their only winning trade. They come over here and they exit it right here. They're not even investing into none of these other projects no more. So it's not like they're grabbing the winnings from XPX and they're believing in any of this other stuff. They're literally just exiting. They're still holding the other stuff for whatever reason, but they're just exiting nonstop, and then they're putting it to this exchange called, I don't know, I've never heard of this one. We're going to look if you guys can look this up, Fix Float Hot Wallet. I'm not sure where that's from. I'm going to do some due diligence later on and see what country primarily uses this. I'm not sure what this is. I'm just going to be honest with you guys. I don't know what this Fix Float thing is, but I just seen it. It's a Binance hot wallet. Okay, so it's probably like a smaller exchange of some sort from some country, and they use a Binance API, because a lot of exchanges use Binance in the back end, the Binance API in the back end. So this is a Fixed Float hot wallet. We'll see what's up with it. You see how it's all coming into this Binance hot wallet? So this is what's going on. Pound per pound strongest. Absolutely. So let's go ahead and get the party started. We got some new people coming in, right? We got some new wallets stepping in. It's very important that you guys understand, okay, and even the people exiting, that there's going to come a point that you won't be able to own the same amount of XPX that you thought you would at any other area, okay, because there's a burn mechanism. So the supply is being burned, and eventually there's going to be a supply shock. You see that? 7% is burned, everybody. 7% is burned. There's going to be a point where there's going to be a supply shock. I'm waiting for Smart DeFi to, I think they're doing some updates on it, because usually when you log in and you connect your wallet, it'll show you all your buys. I got 10 racks up here, and everybody was dumping on me, which it's all good, because when these prices come back up here, you will not be able to own the same amount of XPX that I own. I got one MetaMask. I got an iPad and my phone, and both of them have a MetaMask, and they have many wallets on these things. And I just been loading up nonstop, because I know where we're going to take this. We're going to go all the way. There's going to be people who are selling. Yeah, maybe you needed some of that money and whatever, but you're going to be like, man, I really should have seen that this guy was going in every single day. I'm going to make something that's here to last for more than just 1 year, more than just this bull run, everybody. Me and David, we're doing some things behind the scenes for pay that is to make sure that, this is a business that can last 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. This is not just this crypto hype boom and no. This is here to stay, everybody. This is here to stay. It's like, imagine being a part of like PayPal or even Nike or whatever company. You would want to snatch up as much of those shares or supply as you can. Why? They are cheap. The difference with this is that we have a burn mechanism going on right now. We have the staking is live, so everybody's getting paid no matter what. You're getting paid. But we have a burn mechanism that's going to cause a supply shock, everybody, and price discovery is going to be real. Look at the asset backing. Our baseline value is going up nonstop thanks to this amazing platform called Smart DeFi that I love so much, because my dream came to reality because of Smart DeFi and because of this amazing community that backed it up with an amazing team that helped me sew this thing all together. And now we're looking good. We're looking good. We're going to turn this thing right back around. The markets crash, things pull back, but I'm letting you guys know right now that you're going to want to hold on to this. Right now, me and David are working on some things very important to make sure that we're protected for years down the road. Years. This is not this like just right now. No, years. This is to make sure that we're here. This company, XPX, is always going to be making money for us. It's going to be making a revenue. It's going to be bringing in cash flow, everybody. You want a scalable model. Otherwise, how are you going to get more? What? By selling the tulip to the next person? Is that what you're going to do forever? Come on now. Come on now, everybody. Come on now. All right, let's go to the X account, and then we got everybody's project. We're at 80 people, man. We're supposed to be at 100. I know the show's a little bit early, and you guys been partying a lot lately, I feel like. Maybe you guys are partying too much. Very healthy looking chart. I know it pulled back, and you know what? I know this might be crazy to say, but the pullbacks don't even bother me no more. I want everybody that does not see the long-term vision. I'm glad they're getting out, everybody. As I'm grinding behind the scenes, as I'm building and we're solidifying what we got to do, and I see those wallets that made nothing but bad decisions on all their other trades, and they're trying to get some of their money back because XPX is the only thing that's doing good for them. So, of course, they're going to try to get some of their funds back because they just been, not doing good trades. Their wife is probably mad. As banks crash in Japan and South Korea halts trading, crypto off-ramp solutions like XPX token are a clear path forward for the global economy. Absolutely. Appreciate you, Moon. Absolutely, man. And it's right here. It's basically right here, everybody. It's basically right here. 1 second, everybody. 1 second. One second. All right, cool. All right. It's right here, man. It's very nice. And I'm gonna do some more things with this. Don't worry, it's gonna come right around the corner and stuff. I just been taking care of actual stuff that's really important for what we got going on. And we're gonna turn up the as far as the marketing goes and turning all this stuff up and stuff like that. The markets are down. This is the best time to kind of just be rating. Growing our community with organic numbers. We also got this Reddit right here. I want you guys to come over here, follow everything we're doing on Reddit. Come engage over here if you guys are really rocking with us. Let me see. We got T-Coop. I see everybody pulling up. Don't worry. We're at 84 people. We're almost there. We need 100 people, everybody. We need 100 people. XPX going to do well long term. Seems you got a solid focus, mate. Yeah, man. The thing is that XPX is not only going to do well, but you guys have to understand how much I love this space and how much I want to be a part of this space forever, to the day I die. And you guys have to understand that I've been in this market since 2017, and I've been doing videos for the last 3 years since the last bull run. And I know what happened in the bear market. I know that the bear market comes back. Don't get it twisted. I will tell you guys when we get on the right side of the chart. And that right side of the chart, this oh my God, that this area right here, we're at 80, we're at 86. We're almost there. If you guys want exposure on your bag, we need to hit 100, okay? This area right here, this is where the idea of XPX was made. Because man, it wrecked me. I was so mad. I was so irritated. This area right here, right there, right here is where XPX is made. Because when I seen the crypto market come to a screeching halt, I don't care if you had a bridge. I don't care if you had this. I don't care if you had that. I mean, I was a part of some of the biggest projects. And it came to a screeching halt, everybody. And you know what? I got taught a very big lesson. And my lesson was that we had to make a project that was going to be scalable, that somehow was going to be something that ran nonstop. Because of these 4-year cycles, it's kind of deceiving in a way, because we have such a long run that you think it's going to last forever. And then another thing that kind of deceives you in a sense is that since the markets never close, you just expect them to just keep doing well no matter what. But that bear market, and just like every other bear market, right? Every other time it went down, it's probably the best time to learn something. And we're in this time where all the greats, all the ones that understand, they want to build something before this happens, because that's going to happen. But also this happens, this downtrend right here. And we're going to still be very, 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 very relevant, because I love this space so much. I don't want it to get boring when the bear market comes. I still want something to do. I love my work. My work ethic is just go, 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 go. And I want something to do. And you know what we're going to do? We're going to be bringing money into the space with our Web3 marketplace. Nonstop, everybody. Nonstop. Nonstop. Nonstop, everybody. Nonstop. Nonstop, everybody. It's right there. It's right there. And we're not stopping, everybody. This is not just an off-ramp solution, everybody. This is not just liquidity exit, everybody. This is not that, okay? We're not just trying to catch the hype of one card and that's it. Nope, that's not what's going on. No, we are facilitating the whole payment infrastructure thing, because what are people doing all day, everybody? What are people doing all day? Spending money. Spending money nonstop. People are interacting nonstop, everybody. Nonstop. So what are we going to do? We're going to make sure that we're a part of that. But we're not just going to be a part of it like, oh, we got cards and that's it. No. That's not the experience in the bear market. And I mean, this looks amazing. That looks amazing. That looks amazing, everybody. And it is amazing, okay? It is amazing. And it's just the beginning. It's just the beginning, because we're not just trying to catch the hype just off of one card and that's it. No, we are a payment solution project. We're almost there. We're at 89. We need 11 people, and your guys' bag gets exposure. We need 11 people, everybody. I'm gonna put some pressure on you guys today. Get the grinding. Call somebody. We got 11. We got 9 people missing. Okay, there we go. Now we're talking. We got 9 people, and then your guys' bag gets some exposure. But we're not just off-ramping crypto, everybody. Yes, that's the start. That's where we start. That gold card right there, 150K limit, flexing hard, flexing hard. I'm also going to be flexing hard when we start seeing merchants having our POS systems there, okay? Yeah, we're going to be flexing hard like that. And then when we have a Web3 marketplace that's actually bringing liquidity in, ask yourself, what is bringing money back into your projects? Ask yourself. Exactly, everybody. And that's why, you know, me and David are working on certain things to solidify that, because we are here to stay. We are here to stay, everybody. And there's going to be money being made on all the services. When you go to the ATM and you pull money out, you pay a fee, right? When you go to your gas station and you fill up gas and you slide your card, that POS system at the gas station, or if you go to a restaurant, I know you guys seen a lot of restaurants that they got the POS system. When you pay right there, there's a chunk. Don't think that you're just paying for your Applebee's or your Red Lobster or your Outback or whatever fancy restaurant, the nice fancy ones you want to go to here in the casinos. There's some fancy ones. I've been to some of them. They're really nice. But guess what? They all use a point of sale system. That point of sale system, do you think that they're letting them use it out the kindness of their heart? Let me ask you guys that. Do you guys think that they're allowing people to use these POS systems out the kindness of their heart? Nope. No, they're not. No, they're not. No, they're not. No, they're not. Not at all. No, they're not. And our Web3 marketplace is going to be the next thing, man. We're not just trying to catch the hype of payment solutions, everybody. We are payment solutions, everybody, okay? We're going to stay very focused. That's what we do, okay? And that's what we're going to stay focused on, okay? It's very important that you're not just trying to swing at a bunch of stuff, because you just look like you're all over the place. So this right here, you see this? These little machines right here? They're not letting people use these out the kindness of their heart, everybody. They're not letting people use these out the kindness of their heart. No. These machines charge everybody a fee. These machines charge everybody a fee, everybody. All right? So let's check Bitcoin's price. We're looking good, man. We're looking good. Still at that 56. ETH is still, we got some red right there. Okay. It was just green. You saw that on the daily? It was just green. So let's pull back a little bit. What do you got? We got 8.5 hours for that one. All right, we're looking good. We're looking good. We're looking good. I like it. I like it. Start to apply the buying pressure on a serious project, everybody. It's right here in front of your face. We're going to bring up OG Brett first. Pretty sure that's who pulled up first. I think Crow with Knife did as well. Let me scroll up. Let me be fair. I think it was Crow with Knife and OG Brett that pulled up first. Excuse me, everybody. My bad. So we got big things happening over here. We are the payment solution in the space, everybody. Make sure you guys recognize that. That's what we're going to do, everybody. That's what we're going to do. If you guys were here during the bear market, you guys would understand. We're going to take over. There's a big portion of the Las Vegas market that we're going to take over with the merchant solutions. And it's going to be crazy because it's a multi-billion dollar infrastructure that nobody's tapped into. And I'm going to tap right into that. Show the Reddit also. I got you, bro. I got you. This is the Reddit right here. Let me post the Reddit. Let me get the Reddit again. Come over here, man. Tap in with us. It's very important that you guys tap in with us. Very important that you guys tap in with us. Very important that you guys tap in with us. I mean, we're going to show everybody how it's done. We're going to, you have so much more. Let me show you guys something. We got this at a 442K market cap. You guys can go chase whatever you guys want into the multi-million dollar market cap. Go do that. Let me know how the upside potential is looking. We're still 10 people away from sharing the live, and I know we're at the hour mark, and it's all good. We're gonna do an extended version. You guys can tell I'm feeling a lot better, but I'm gonna press you guys all the way till we got to get that 100. We got to get that 100. We'll go to Ordi, and I'll find you guys another trade if we have to. We're still up 127%. So make sure you guys tap in. Where's your upside potential? Okay, where's your upside potential in payment solutions? You want to join XPX right now? And see some of the biggest upside potential you got to make X's right now at a 442K market cap? Well, what do you want to do? You want to join the one that is just trying to catch a wave and they've already pumped 1 million times? Is that what you want? Their hype is gone for their payment solution stuff. It's gone. It's done. This is where it's at right now. I'm letting you know right now to your face. This is where it's at. When it comes to that, this is where it's at. You want that upside potential? This is where it's at. Because what's going to happen is it's going to happen regardless, and you guys are going to keep pulling up to the stream, and I'm just going to tell you I told you so. I'm just going to tell you I told you so. Because I don't think a lot of people have realized that I have kept my word all the way along the way, and I will continue to keep my word all the way along the way. So we're still 10 people away, so I'm going to bring up STX. This is another play that we are talking about, everybody. We're going to have an extended live stream, but we got to grind together, everybody. We really got to grind. We really got to grind. I'm going to bring up OG Brett and Crow with Knife. You guys are some of the first ones. But call your communities up, man. Call your communities up. We're missing 10 people. We're missing 10 people, man. And I know it's early, but you know what? I'm going to be honest with you guys. I threw up right before going live. So don't tell me that we can't pull up. Right before going live, I threw up and had to brush my teeth all over again. And you know what? Sat my butt down on the freedom chair and got straight to work. Okay? So let's do what we got to do. Let's do what we got to do. Don't get all lazy on me now, and don't think that we don't need everybody going hard. You won't be telling me that, pal. I know. I see you, Feg for life. I mean, some people are gonna have to. It's gonna suck because you can chase everybody else that is just trying to catch the wave of payment solutions, just to catch a little wave of it. They're already in the millions of market cap. So what? It's got to, just to do a 2x. It's got to go what? How high does it got to go? You got a 2x sitting right in front of your face, easy right here. You got a 2x sitting right here in front of your face, easy. How easy would it be to get a 2x on some of the other ones that are just trying to catch a wave? How easy? Not that easy. Not that easy because everybody's already made their money. This is the freshest. This is the freshest one you can have on the market right now. What's up, Zombie Frog? Yes, y'all. We're here, Crow with Knife. I see you guys. I got you guys. We're 4 people away, man. I'm pressing you guys today. If I literally 5 minutes before going live, I literally threw up, brushed my teeth, and still got on the live. You guys can get the rest of the people to pull up, man. Oink, oink. I see you guys. Crow with Knife incoming. Let's go, man. I'm going to hold you guys to it. I'm not going to fold, man. I'm firm, but I'm fair. And if we said we got to hit 100, then we got to hit 100. We're at 98. 2 more people. Let's go. I'm going to hold you guys to it, man. Because I hold myself accountable. If I say I'm going to do something, I don't budge into I do it. If I said I was going to go live and for some reason this sickness that I got made me throw up, I don't walk away and say, oh, I threw up, let me cancel the live. No, I already said that I'm going to do something. So I'm going to do it. Crow with Knife, this one should be easy. I love that one, Splice. Thank you for this for the super chat. Let's go. We're at 98. Two more people. And yes, I'm being petty today, everybody. Call me being petty, but I want those 2 people. I want the 100. I want to know that I don't care if it's early, that you guys are going to do what we have to do. These little things matter. These are the hidden mile. 2 more. There we go. 102. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Let's start the show, man. And I know that we're at the hour mark, and I don't care. We'll run another hour if we have to get everybody's bag. But when I say we need 100 people, the triple digits is what makes the algorithm kick the rest of our bags to get more exposure. Okay, so we need to make this happen all the time, everybody. Load up your bags on XPX. You got the most upside potential right here. You got a dox dev, not a mysterious dev. You don't know what's going to happen. I'm telling you what's going to happen. We're going to take over the market, everybody. I'm telling you what's going to happen. It's not going to be no mystery. Now, what's going to happen is you're going to be like, man, this guy really told us. Called into murder. Let's go, Niran. That's what I'm talking about. Let's bring up Crow with Knife. They called into murder, and then we'll do OG Brett. I know you guys pulled up, but I love that murder talk, man. I love that Crow with Knife murder talk, Niran. I really do. I really, really do. Yeah, when crows, I guess when crows pull up all together, it's called a murder. Maybe I'll say red rum. I'm not sure if we're allowed to say murder. I'm not sure. You know how YouTube gets. Crow with Knife. It's flying. There we go. Woo! Now we're pumped. We got 104 people in the live stream. Man, pressure makes diamonds. That's for real, man. That's for real. Let's go over here to the X page. Let's get this exposure out here, man. Let's get what we're supposed to be doing, exactly how we're supposed to be doing it, man. That's what I'm talking about. 74 people on X, and the rest over here, about 30 people over here on YouTube. So very, very nice. We're over the 100. Hell yeah, brother. You're a part of the flock forever. Absolutely, man. People got to understand that I don't get caught up in this. I trust me, I love this. I love Crow with Knife. That's always going to be like, it's a crow with a knife. It's meme stuff. It's perfect, actually, you know? But what I invest in and what I love the most is the Rons, the Splice TVs, the Feg for Life, you know, the Crypto Griff, you know, the Spice Travel, the Emil. That's why I do this, everybody. I do this for you guys, for Javier Alvarez. I do this for you guys, for Mitch. I do this for you. That's what I get invested into, right? That's why it's important that you guys rock with me and you guys get the rest of the community to come here and grow this channel, because this channel is a channel for you, for your communities, for your bags, everybody. Crypto Griff, it's a crow with a knife. It's meme stuff. It is. All right, let's scroll down. Let me show everybody how easy it should be. Watch the first video. The guy flips out. Yeah, no, I know. I've seen that one. I watched it already. You guys can't let nothing out, and I'm not on top of it. Yeah, I watched this. This guy, yeah. let me hear. The audio's not going to come through, but let me hear it again just so I can relay the message. Yeah. Just a fellow crow with knife, he's saying. What is going on? He's so confused, everybody. And that's what I love. There we go. Ken Do pulling up. Spicy Travel, what's up, man? Mike, what's up, man? I see everybody pulling up with 104 people live. That's what I'm talking about. You're a part of the murder fam. Absolutely, man. Let's do it, man. Red rum, baby. Red rum, baby. But this guy right here, we're going to get him to join as well. We're going to get him to join as well, because that's what we do. Listen to my man. He works hard for your bags. Absolutely, man. Do not get it twisted, man. Do not get it twisted. I'm coming up every single day, all the time for you guys, for all of us. And I won't stop, everybody. I think it's safe to say that everybody has realized that this man won't stop. I got to talk about me in third person sometimes, because sometimes I don't even understand myself. I'm like, what? You just threw up? Brush your teeth and you're going to get straight to work? What? You're not going to justify why you should be able to lay down? You don't want to do that? And Rico's like, no. Have that Kobe Bryant moment. Have that Kobe Bryant moment. You know, job's still not done, right? Yeah, what's up, Mike? I see you, man. You're awesome. No, you're awesome, man. You guys make it awesome here just because you guys pull up, man. I can't wait to be as awesome as you guys, man. That's really what I'm trying to do. That's why I'm trying to rock with you guys right here, man. This is where it's at, everybody. This is where we're at. Don't worry. I know we hit the hour mark. It took us a while to get to 100. And I say what I mean, and I mean what I say. And if I said I had to wait till we get to 100 people viewing this show, till we got the sharing that everybody else is back, then we have to wait till we get to 100, because I'm not going to budge on my word. No matter how small it is, no matter how big it is, no matter what it is, I'm going to follow through. And if we have to do an extended version because it took us that long, oh, well, then we go the extra mile. You guys don't understand, man. I was a drill sergeant at a military school. I can endure like there's no tomorrow. I could run nonstop. I could do the airborne shuffle all the way to a whole nother state if I had to. And if my legs stop working, I'll start crawling. If my arms stop working, I'll start moving with my chin. I won't stop, everybody. Yeah, I see you guys pulling up. There we go, man. I see the chat picking up. We're at 109 people. Let's go, man. Let's go. But this one right here, man, this one should be easy, Crow fam. This one should be easy for you. And I believe because where we're at, Crow with Knife, listen to me. Crow with Knife, listen to me. I know that there's some shakeouts. I know that happens. This one should be easy. Splice TV is saying. Thank you for the super chat, man. Appreciate you guys. This one should be easy. What's up, Crypto Shay? This one should be easy, fam. This one should be easy, fam. The markets are still very, very early. The markets are very young. The bull run has not started, so it can't be over. And I promise you, when you see the bull run, every project that has a solid community, which this one has, is going to make some good moves, okay? It's going to make some very, very good moves, everybody. It's very important that you guys understand that this one should be easy. Most projects want to get listed on crypto.com. They're already listed on crypto.com. Are you guys understanding that? So what's going to happen when people come into this market? Remember a while back I told you guys what was the easy way to notice when it was the top, right? When if you guys are trading the Ordi token, I'm going to take 50%. I just want to let you guys know it's at a 120% gain. I'm going to show you guys right now, just in case you guys are trading with me on that Ordi token. I don't want to be the one dumping on you or nothing like, even though this is futures, it's on the trading thing, but I'm going to take 50% of that trade. I'm going to practice what I preach. You know, profits are better than wages. Sold for 50% of my initial trade, right? Cover most of that. Same bearish cover from media that happened last cycle, night before. Entire bull run full. I know, Niran. It's crazy, brother. It's crazy. And I appreciate you, Niran. You know, that's what I think it's part of our duty, Niran. Those like us who have been a part of the last cycle and are still here to give our experience away. Literally give it away. Give it away, right? The game is sold, not told, but I want to give it away because I don't want the bear market to be as long as last time. I want this bull run to be stronger than the last bull run, to be more powerful than the last run. And the way that we can do that is by educating one another, educating yourself, but also educating your friends, educating your family. Right now, you can get somebody to load up on Crow with Knife. All you got to do is tell your neighbor about it. When retail comes in, you're going to see people flock to Coinbase and flock to crypto.com. When they flock to crypto.com, I guarantee what's going to happen is they're going to see Crow with Knife. And hopefully around that time, hey, I know this guy. Great looking beard, man. Wow. Great looking beard. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Some people hate it. Some people love it, man. The best thing to do is not care what people think and just do you all the time, okay? Now, let's talk about some prices. What's going on here? All right, so the stream crashed. 1 second, everybody. 1 second. Hold, stay here. Don't go nowhere. So it still crashed, everybody. Okay. All right, let's share the screen. There we go. There we go. There we go, everybody. We're back. We're back, everybody. We're back. Oops, something went wrong. Reloading the page, whatever. We're back, everybody. Thank you guys for not going nowhere. If it crashes, don't go nowhere. We're going to bring it right back every time, man. We're not going to stop, everybody, all right? So I appreciate you guys. If you guys didn't run away, the stream is still going. We're crashing the stream, everybody. Restream. You guys got to get it together, man. I really like their platform, but sometimes it does crash. All right, let's keep it going. Let's look at Crow with Knife right now, everybody. I mean, what a bounce back, right? They are bouncing it right back. Bouncing it right back. And I want to see Crow with Knife. And I know Crow with Knife will get that rally going right back again. It's too powerful. It's almost too important to Chronos, everybody. Brent on ETH. You guys, I got you guys next. Don't worry about it. I got you guys next. Got you guys next, man. Got you guys next, man. Make sure you guys tap in with me. Okay, so sitting at a $36 million market cap, they absolutely bounced back. They almost got in this range, which, to be honest with you, this little spot, it's a good little spot that they bounced to because it made a prior resistance of future support. If it broke through here and we don't have to do none of this consolidation stuff, even better. I mean, this was just in case. But if we can just keep this rally going and keep the momentum, and it has a lot to do, to be honest with you, it has a lot to do with like the sentiment, right? The overall sentiment in the community. Like Crow with Knife, God Candle, CDC owns a ridiculously large bag. There's no way this can fail. I heard that they own more Crow with Knife than Shiba Inu. More Crow with Knife than Shiba Inu now. They own more Crow with Knife than Shiba Inu. So that should say a lot, everybody. That should say a lot. CDC buying up Crow with Knife supply like crazy. Top wallet from CDC, 222 trillion. Rico, you the man. Appreciate you, Wayne. You the man. We the man. Oh my God, I rock with you guys so much, man. And now look, we're already at 112. That's why we wait till we get to that triple digit. We're gonna have an extended live stream. We're gonna do a long version today. It is what it is. It took us a while to get to 100, but that's what we got to do sometimes, everybody. That's what we're gonna do. So buy a lot. Look, it should be easy when Crypto.com is doing this. When retail investors come in, I guarantee they're gonna be looking at this Crow with Knife. It stands out too much. It's too thought provoking, man. I like it. I like it. And I'm still holding my Crow with Knife from getting in over here. I didn't sell. Everybody else sold. The Gate.io I thought was going to take us up here. Maybe I could have took some profits off of that up here, but it pulled back, and that happens. You know, there's always, and I know people don't like me saying it, but it's the truth. There's a buy the rumor, sell the news event. Okay, we bricked up. Lil Crip, what's up? Man, haven't seen Lil Crip in a while, man. Hopefully you're doing good all day, staying here. Man, hopefully you're doing good, Lil Crip, man. I haven't seen you. I'm here, my brother. Appreciate you, man. Love seeing you, man. Love seeing you. Love knowing that you're walking around bricked up, man. I mean, I bought the dip. Good job, man. I mean, that's what it comes down to. It comes down to your conviction plays. And I'm going to say this again. Like I said, we're going to have an extended stream. So call everybody. We're not going anywhere. We got some work to do. We got some work to do. We got some projects to cover. We got some stuff to do. I'm going to say this again. When the markets are fearful, you're supposed to be greedy. When the markets are greedy, you're supposed to be fearful. Everybody who bought the dip, you're going to have your I told you so moment. If you have bought and your bag is in the red and you can't handle seeing that, don't look at your bag. If you can't DCA, just don't look at it. If you said, hey, I believe Crow with Knife is going to 100 million, then just wait till it gets to 100 million. If it pulls back, don't get all panicky. Don't go watch these other YouTubers that are going to put a little bit extra fear, uncertainty, and doubt in you, right? They're going to scare you. So then what happens to your other bags? I'm glad to see you, bro. Appreciate you, Lil Crip. Appreciate you. We were cackling in the voice chat while BTC was crashing, and we were buying the dips. Naran, that's exactly what we're supposed to do. That's exactly what we're supposed to do. That's what BlackRock has been doing. Come on, everybody. Be like smart money, please. I don't even like saying please. I'm begging you guys. Do not phage your solid projects. I'm talking to you guys. I'm talking to you guys. When retail comes in, you're going to wish you didn't sell your main projects, okay? Because they're going to fly. They're going to fly, everybody. Block the FUD. Absolutely, man. Block the FUD. Absolutely. The way you guys can block the FUD is by getting this channel to grow, because this channel is bullish, everybody. This channel knows where we're at. This channel has gone through a few cycles already, understands that it's time to go. What's up, Zombie? I see you. We demolished them. We demolished them damn dips. Yep. And we're turning it right back around. You know, if we consolidate it, cool. Even that's fine. We got our little support right here. It's not going to be picture perfect. This prior resistance, future support. That's cool. And we don't have to consolidate this way. Hey, we could just pump up here and get back on this trend line, on this support line that we were at. Eventually, what we're supposed to be doing, like we got listed on Gate.io and it sold off, right? And then the rest of the market sold off. So there was like this domino effect. But we're still listed on Gate.io, everybody. That didn't mean that we're not listed on Gate.io anymore. And we're getting new people to buy Crow with Knife on Gate.io. What are we supposed to do? Get these new people to raid with us. Get these new people to grind with us. Get these new people to post some X pictures and stuff like that. That's what we're supposed to be doing, getting these new people that got exposure to us on Gate.io to help us grind, to grow our army. Already beat the BTC crash. Now we recover further with the rest of the market. Absolutely. Absolutely. That's what we're doing as well. That's exactly what we're doing. We're about to recover right with everybody else. We actually got to shake out a lot of people that were just putting selling pressure out of pure bitterness. And during the live stream, if you watched the live stream yesterday, that was hilarious because I got that person to dump the rest of their bag because they had like 99 sells. If you'd have looked, they had more sells than anything. They were just selling just to sell XPX, just to sell it because all their other bags were doing crap. So they had to, they were trying their best. I'm gonna let you know there's no removing the steam from XPX. There's none of that. Do not waste your efforts trying to do that. Do not wait. You're better off going into whatever project you like and pumping that up as much as you want. If you don't want to deal with us, don't even look this direction because we're not going anywhere. Don't even look this direction. Don't even look this direction. When I told you guys we were holding the aces, I told you guys, right? I told you guys, right? Way before I showed this off, I said, hey, XPX, we're holding the aces. I'm not bluffing. I'm not bluffing. XPX right there, 150K, because you're going to need it. Why are you going to need it? Because we have some of the most upside potential. You're talking buy paper hands. I like that, Chris. What's up, Chris? I see you. I haven't seen you before, Chris. That's a nice little thumbnail. I like the avatar with that Crow with Knife. Welcome, Chris. Welcome, everybody. Crypto, what's up, everybody? I see Olymp up in here. Olymp coming in hard every time. Olymp, hit me up in the DMs, man, so we can work together. You guys need the magic touch, man. Tap in with me. We're at 130 people live. That's why we stay live and we get that over that triple digit. That's why, okay? Now, Crow with Knife, we get back on this trend line, we're going to be looking really good. Do not fade your Crow with Knife, everybody. Do not fade your Crow with Knife. If you said, hey, I know we're going to get to make a video of Crow with Knife breaking this all-time high. It's just going to take a little bit of time, and we're going to just keep grinding and keep, getting new community members to help out, getting more community members to continue to participate in what we got going on, okay? So I like what we're seeing right here. I like what we got right here. You guys see the video up here, man. Come check it out, man. There's plenty of things going on. Rocking hard with this community. This community rocks really hard with me. Let's bring up OG Brett next. Man, we're barely on the second project, so we're going to have one heck of a live stream today, man. I'm telling you guys right now. And I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. We're going to cover everybody's project. We got OG Brett. I know you guys experienced a little bit of a pullback, but when the pullbacks happen, you pull up. Okay? When the pullbacks happen, you got to pull up. OG Brett, where you at? Look at the chart. Crow with Knife, $50 million market cap. It's the dip. Anything under is cheap. I agree. I know that we're going to get to make the video of Crow with Knife breaking his all-time high. You guys pull up to these live streams every single day. There's no way that you working just as much as I am and grinding just as hard, if not harder, and you don't win. That's not how the game goes. No, man, it's my pleasure, man. Thank you guys for always pulling up. Don't leave, man. Keep rating the chat. Don't leave just because you saw your project. Keep rating the chat. I got it set where where the live feed is going on nonstop. So after we're done with this live stream, whoever watches this live stream still gets to see the whole chat still flying. So you guys want to make sure that your community still looks very active throughout this whole live stream. So like that, it doesn't matter what part people are watching in this live stream later on, they are seeing that you're one of the most active communities, okay? OG Brett turning right back around. Look at how crazy this looks over here, right? Oh, my God. I love my charts. Excuse me, everybody. I apologize for that. We got 130 people. Pepe on base, man. I haven't seen you guys in a while, man. Where's the community at, man? Free game session. Where's Pepe on base? Where's the rest of that community at? Haven't seen you guys pull up in a while. I was hitting up the dev. The dev stopped hitting me up as well. So I was trying to talk to everybody, but when I stop hearing from the community or I stop hearing from the dev, that's what happens. When things go too quiet and too dead, if nobody's answering stuff, people start to just kind of look for something else that keeps them active or keeps them like entertained, I guess, right? So we got OG Brett 0x240 in the house, everybody. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. We got spicy travel. Okay. Are the travel spicy? Are you eating food that's spicy while you're traveling? I'm curious of that. We got that John Wick. We got that John Wick. Everybody's got that sharpshooter guy. that sharpshooter guy was no joke, right? Oh my God, that sharpshooter guy really did his dance. That guy really did his dance. Oh my God, everybody's got him. That guy literally had no gimmicks. That guy had no special stuff on or nothing like that. He just he was just literally shooting nonstop. I'm gonna retweet this. This guy's he became a meme quick. It's crazy how fast you become a meme, right? Got 105 people on X and 25 people on YouTube. Absolutely amazing. Total 130 people live with us today, man. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it. That's what I like about Restream is it lets us stream on both of them, and it lets me see the numbers of the total count. 130 people live total. Those are real numbers. Those, if each person had $1,000 and put it into one project, I mean, we would see a chart fly like there's no tomorrow. Imagine if, we just shot up to 143 people. Imagine if each person inside here even just put $100 on one project. We should probably do that one day. I should probably hold, I don't think nobody's ever done that. We should probably do like a pump the chart event or something like that, right? We should probably organize something like that where like the power of the live stream, where, I don't know, maybe we do like $10 if every person did like $100 or something like that that's affordable for everybody, and we just did it all on one chart, while we were live, and just send one thing. That'd be a lot of fun. Because I bet that chart, everybody be like, whoa, what's going on? That'd be a lot of fun, right? To see the chart just actually, and obviously I'm going to want it to do it to XPX, but we could probably do it to a lot of projects. All right, so we got OG Brett, man. This project has been pulling up nonstop, man. This community has been very strong. This is the original Brett on ETH, everybody. When it's the original one, it has to happen, man. It just has to happen. They're here to stay. They've been pulling up nonstop. I like this community a lot. It's grown on me, right? Because the community's grown on me. They've been resilient. Everybody who got in early, we started covering it down here, and it's been doing really well, and they've been holding really good. I think if they fumbled this one, it would hurt, because I think somebody else would CTO it again. So if you're holding a bag of this one, I just think you're supposed to just keep grinding, holding these positions, and just never look at this bag and don't sell it, and just keep making it grow and get more community members and keep pushing it, because this OG Brett narrative, this original Brett narrative is very, very powerful, everybody. It's the original Brett on ETH. And a lot of you guys don't know, but Matt Fury's birthday is coming up. So that's something that's going to be very powerful. So let me see something. Matt Fury, let me see. I don't know his exact birthday and stuff. Let me see. Let me bring this over here. Just so you guys can see. Okay, born 1979. He's 44 years old, Columbus, Ohio. Yeah, what month, though, was he born? Okay, my bad, I'm nerding out. Okay, so August 14. Okay, so we're not that far away right here. Matt Fury, born August 14. So this could give a lot of the Matt Fury plays some oomph. Okay. Now, I'm not saying it's a guarantee, but these markets work like that, right? This is the comic artist and illustrated. He is known for the creator of the Pepe the Frog, a character from his Boys Club series that debuted in 2005. So these are the rest of these plays, and they're gonna keep growing. Honestly, I don't think they're done. I think they're kind of a part of the space. I know some people think that they're done. I don't think that they're all the way done. I think the stoners and the crypto guys, they like it too much. Now, the political finance tokens, I think that once the PolyFi stuff calms down, we can see how they pull back. I think they're more momentarily type of things. While politics stuff is being talked, and they're good, but I think these Matt Fury plays are kind of just, it's Pepe, it's kind of, Pepe's going to be a part of the space probably forever. It has that Shiba Inu. It's kind of solidified, staying up there in the $1 billion market cap. So I don't think it's going anywhere, to be honest with you guys. What is this guy? This one looks cool too. All his little plays. We got to be careful. Let me see. MattFury.com. Okay, I might have found something right here. This guy's definitely a stoner for sure, and trips on something. Boy, that's trippy. That's cool. I mean, he's an artist. I mean, this is pretty cool stuff. I'm not going to lie. What? Oh, my God, that's so cool. That's like your soul leaving you. Jeez. Oh, this one's being controlled. Oh, my God. We're doing a little deep dive on some Matt Fury right now. We're going to get back to everybody's play, but this is for OG Brett. But, man, cool. Okay, I like his art. I'm not going to lie. This stuff is cool. It's interesting. It's thought-provoking. I like it. A little Dr. Seuss feeling to it. A little bit of trippiness. Anybody who's ever done acid probably can see that. So, all right. So I think it's here to stay. I think that, possibly this is that fixed float guy. This is the guy going to the fixed float. I think that these plays will probably do really good. Probably be good to pump your bags. OG Brett, if you're listening to this, I'm going to be giving some more game away. We're at 143 people, man. Absolutely, man. Controlled or serviced. Not sure, man. Yep. But check this out, man. I think that these plays are going to do really good. I would pump this chart and hold it just to see what happens during his birthday, man. Maybe there's going to be a whole sensation going on and all that stuff like that, right? It could be. It could happen, everybody, okay? It could happen. It can do it. It can do it, right? Speaking of can do it, what about can do? Is can do up in the house? Let's see, man. I think OG Brett has some potential, man. I think it has a lot of potential to go, a lot higher. It hasn't gone really high like a lot of the other plays. So it definitely has the potential. We're at 162 people live, and we're not even close to stopping, everybody. We're not even close to stopping. We're just getting started, everybody. We're just getting started. Where's Ken Do at? Ken Do, where you at, man? What's up, Chris? I see you guys pulling up. Yes, where's Ken Do at? Ken Do, are you in here right now? Ken Do, I'm calling you. No Ken Do, not here. Oh, my God. You guys are relentless. Bird Dog on Solana. Appreciate the super chat, man. Bird Dog on Solana. Yeah, shrooming. I think shrooms give you a darker imagery, though. I don't think it's that. I think that's more of an acid thing that Matt Fury was doing. Shrooms usually is like shadow stuff, And yes, everybody's had their experience in their younger years. I mean, I'm a full-blown good boy now. Sheesh, look at this guy. I mean, Ken Do in the heart of San Francisco. Now, this is what I'm talking about. You want to talk about getting people's attention? You spray paint a Mercedes, and you do this right here. Buy Ken Do. Wow. That's some dedication right there. And put some air in your front tire, man. You're going to get better gas mileage. Ken Do not probably, what was this? Ken Do not here, probably trying to flip signs outside the freeway while they're flipping signs. You guys are funny. And you know what? I'm telling you guys, kicking up dust is a must, and a little bit of you know, friction with other communities is okay. Don't take it personal, but I think it creates this competition. It's like ha 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 ha, right? It's good, right? So that's good. As long as it's, it's a gentleman's game. I wouldn't get disrespectful. Like, notice I don't get disrespectful to anybody, even the Jeets or whatever. Even when I see somebody maliciously, purposely selling nonstop, we're just going to expose them and their inability to trade, because when you look at their wallets, they might as well just dump the rest of that wallet. All of their trades are in the red. The only thing that's in the green for them in their wallet is XPX. That was their only good green trade, everybody. That was their only good green trade. So, you know what? These things happen, but I don't think we have to get disrespectful. I think a little bit of, competition is good, okay? So I think this is really good. I like this. I think it's cool, and I love when stuff is happening in the real world. If they're flipping signs, let them flip signs. It's in the real world. Maybe I need to go flip a sign or two, a XPX sign. Maybe that's a good idea, actually. That's probably a good idea to pay somebody. Okay, they got music playing right here. Woo! That's cool though. I like it. I like it. Okay, Can Do Army taking on the rest of the space. Going to be an ass kicking. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's like and retweet this. I like that. Look at everybody. I love the memes, man. I'm not gonna lie. I love the memes. I mean, I was supporting meme coins when everybody. If you guys go all the way back, before Pepe took off, I was getting heat for still supporting meme coins. Look, everybody, I was doing live streams with a project, and even the two guys that I was doing the live stream with, you can go back and check, everybody. You can go back and check. Nobody wanted to touch them because in the bear market, everybody was kind of cutthroat and it wasn't happening. And I always supported the meme coins because I know that they bring culture and they bring the hype, they bring the numbers. So meme coins are here to stay, to bring the volume, to bring the hype. And I think I think meme coins also pivoted a lot stronger this year with when it came to the political tokens, and I think we'll use them more like this, as a way to express ourselves. So that's, a very powerful thing. We got 162 people live with us today, man. Absolutely amazing. This is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome right here. I love this. I love this right here. 162 people. We're not even close to finishing, everybody. We're going to put in overtime on the overtime today. We're going to put in overtime on the overtime. If you care about your bag, you'll do it with me. If you care about your bag, you're going to call some more people up right now. That is at Kendu Inu, okay? I also want to come over here and give the Kendu Chads some exposure as well. Still waiting on Miyazaki to hit me up to get him to come up here, man. Come talk about your guys' bag, man. Get that exposure out there. It's just another way to communicate with your community, man. Just another way to get out here and talk about what you guys got going on. Yep. I think it'd be good, especially with the Kendu Chads getting more exposure out here. I think it's really, really good. I think I got something coming up for you guys, man. I got my hoodie. I'm ready to rock it. The temperature's getting better right here. OG Brett, thank you for your support, Rico. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Thank you guys all for the support. Make sure you guys don't leave the stream. We're not even close to finishing. We still got some more projects. We still got Myro. We still got MSI. We still got Vote. We still got Feg Token. All right. My bad. That's at Kendu Chads, everybody. So at Kendu Inu, let's get Mr. Miyazaki up here, man, to hold it down for the community. Come up on the live stream, come up on YouTube, set an avatar up, whatever avatar he wants to use, and talk to his community live. And we can ask him some questions and just really just get some more hype out there. Just get some more stuff for people to be like, hey, Miyazaki's on the YouTube channel. Hey, Miyazaki's live on YouTube right now talking about Kendu Inu. That's a new level of stuff, everybody. That gets real powerful. And if there's any developers out there that would like to, come up here and represent their bags or represent their community, contact me so you can represent your community, or don't. You don't have to. You don't have to. I'm not going to beg you. I can tell you that right now. I'm not going to beg anybody. But I do think that we'll make I know we'll get to make a video of Kendu breaking all-time high. We don't want to miss out on these trends. We don't want to miss out on these upward trends. It's found this support. This is an area where it's been before. And you know what? This is something that we have to be able to expect. This is a 60% retracement. Somebody posted yesterday, if you can't handle a 60% retracement, then you can't if you can't handle a 60% retracement, then you don't deserve a 600% profit. I think that was Heat Score. I see Heat Score up in here right now. I think that was you. If you can't handle a 60% retracement, you don't deserve a 600% profit, everybody. So make sure you guys are tapping in. We got 162 people live with us today. Real people, real numbers, people who care about their bags, doing their thing. So right here, we got Kendu Inu looking very, very, very good. I mean, this is what we're supposed to be doing. It's turning right back around. These 60% retracements are something that you guys got to get used to and really start to work on your very best, and start to work on this your very, very, very best, everybody. So let's go ahead and scroll down. I see the Vote Army up in here. I see you, William Mack. See, you've been holding it down with Cynthia, man. Big shout out to you guys, man. I love those spaces. Love what you guys are doing. Those spaces are very important to the overall space. Make sure if you guys have not tapped in yet, you guys go to Vote Inu official over here. Salute, Rico, man. Salute to you, man. Holding it down no matter what. That's very important. And, you know, that shows your conviction in your play, and also shows that, you know, you're a real one, bro. That's really what it comes down to. So, Vote Inu, this is the spot that I want you guys. If we can hold back above this line, it's all good. You know, this $15 million market cap and this price right here, because we've been here before. We've been here before. Once we get back on this trend line, people are going to have to put some respect on Vote Inu all over again. It's just going to happen, okay? There's no way that Vote Inu fades and it's gotten this far. It doesn't happen, okay? But we've been here before. And yeah, we've been a little bit lower, but I want to focus on this support line right here. You see this right here? We've been here before. Let's focus on this right here, getting some of this action. Get back on this trend line and start working our ways up. Getting back on this trend line right here will be ideal. But even right here where we're at right now, this support is the same support that we had when that happened, when all this happened, okay? So we're still in that same area that all these things can happen. So make sure that, you know, you're not selling at a loss. That would not be wise, right? That's not going to be wise. Well, and if you're not happy, then get mad. You know why you should get mad? Use that anger and that aggression to make some more posts, to make some more tweets, to go a little bit harder, to go nonstop. That's you know, do that instead. Do that instead. Come give them a follow at Vote Inu official. Like I said, they got a lot of spaces. Get Volted over here. You guys, they got their Volty change, the Volty card, the Volty Island, their Spark Bot. I mean, they got a little bit of something for everybody. Ooh, this one looks crazy cool. Whoa. This thing looks really nice. I think, honestly, when I think we're going to see a new wave of Volt really taking off with the Gamify section, because they're already on Steam. Like, they already have a game on Steam. This Volty Island, excuse me, everybody. They already have a game on Steam, and you can use the NFTs as a skin. And I think that's probably going to, because these skins, they go really hard with like gaming. I mean, it's the year of the dragon, everybody. It is the year of the dragon. Let's not forget that. It is the year of the dragon. And I'm going to be honest with you guys. These NFTs go really, really well with gaming. I mean, I would love to rock, you know, I got 2 of these NFTs. I would like to rock my NFT and own somebody and show them like, hey, this is what I'm rocking. You can't tell me that if these were on Fortnite, people wouldn't rock them. There's no way. I mean, people would be using these. I mean, imagine a dragon owning somebody. We got the Chicago Brew. Don't get mad, get wealthy and wise. If you can manage, absolutely, man. Absolutely. That Chicago Brew. That's that Midwest wisdom right there, baby, right? We don't get mad, we get money. That's that Chi-Town love, right? Shout out Chi-Town, man. Shout out Humboldt Park, where all the Puerto Ricans are at. North Avenue, north side of Chicago. What's up, man? We don't get mad. We get money, everybody. But you can't tell me if Fortnite was not allowing this, that people wouldn't be using these dragons to literally shoot everybody down. And when that happens, there's going to be a new wave that comes out to vote Inu. These things take time. The gaming infrastructure has not been taken over by crypto yet. There's a lot of stuff that crypto has not taken over yet. And I believe that there's some projects that are poised to really take over in that section. And Vote Inu is definitely one of them, everybody. They already have games already on Steam. That's super powerful. Once that actually catches some traction, magic will happen, everybody. These are the spaces that I'm talking about. Shout out to Cynthia and shout out to William. Man, if you guys are not following them already, give them a follow. This is at Crypto Latina 111. And also right here at William 303-75052. Yes. Give my man a follow, man. Stay tapped in with all things voted, but also, you know, that mental health, man. It's very important, man. That's why we kind of touch on that quite a bit up on the live streams because and I kind of get irritated with some of the bigger channels, the way they play with everybody's feelings, because it's important that we keep our emotions in check. It's important that, you know, we got our mindset. We have our mindset where we want it to be, that we're staying motivated on our projects, because if we don't stay motivated, we're being deflated, right? The big YouTubers are saying, oh, it's over. And maybe you're not holding Bitcoin, but their damn red thumbnails will make you question holding your bag. So it's important to have spaces like what Cynthia is doing and what William is doing, and channels like this that are helping people understand that you are still very, very, very early in the space, and that you're a pioneer in this space. Okay, now let's bring up Myro next, everybody. Let's talk about Myro. Yes, hello Rico, glad I caught you live. Looking good. Wondering anyone has bought bar on ETH? Nope, have not. I'm here solo. 77 is the thing. We'll check it out eventually, man. We got to get a whole community up in here, man. Because remember, I don't invest so much in the. I invest in the community, man. That's what I have to find. I have to find a community. So like that, when I know that I'm sleeping, that you guys are gonna be working for the bag nonstop. So I have not seen bar yet. It's on ETH. I'm here solo. All right, I'll do my own due diligence on that one. 777 is the contract address. I'll remember that. Jackpot. How can I forget that? Okay, we got Myro right here. The good boy Myro pulling back. Ooh, testing everybody. No problem, man. Appreciate everybody. We're at 171 people. I advise you guys not to leave. You know, just because you've seen your bag pull up, it probably would not be wise to leave right now. Hey, the good boy Myro. Yes. Pepe Ryoshi. Call up everybody right now from the Myro community. I got something coming because you know what? The good boy Myro should not be faded. The good boy Myro should not be left alone. This is the good boy Myro, everybody. I think that, I mean, look at when Rico's on point, look at this. Woo! Sheesh. I have my moments, everybody. I have my moments where it looks like, I don't know, like if somebody told me something. But then I have other moments that it didn't happen because the market's crashing and nobody's perfect, everybody. It would have been ideal for us to hold this over here. We're going to start cleaning it up so it's not that, so people can see. Some people can't handle it. Some people can't handle it. We'll get rid of some of this stuff just so we can see. All right, let's get some. This is where we could have gone. This is where we're at right now, right? Let's look at this right here. This is where we're at right now. So we're at $85 million market cap, which is lower than people want. You know what's crazy is there are some people holding some bags of, you know, Myro in, you know, that they bought in some pretty big bags, actually in the hundreds of millions of market cap for Myro. And you just got to hold, everybody. Now, everybody in the Moneybags Mansion, we did absolutely amazing on Myro. But we did get tested, everybody. Before we got to do absolutely amazing, let's go through this little section really quick. We got in on Myro right before it pumped. Right before it kind of pumped a little bit crazy. Enough, excuse me, enough to get us in trouble, actually. And you might ask yourself, what do you mean get you in trouble, right? Enough to get you in trouble because we got in right here kind of where it's at right now, this 85 million, and it started pumping. What's up, Kojak? Just cover nice little bounce back, built different. Absolutely, Kojak. I was just covering Kendu, man, and the Kendu Chads and everything like that. Definitely gonna keep covering what we got going on. Seeing the Mercedes driving around town. Tell Broski he needs some air in that front tire before it goes flat. Then he's gonna need a new rim. Those rims are not cheap on that Mercedes, all right? But right here on Myro, right? We got in just enough to get us in trouble, right? Why am I saying to get us in trouble? Because we got in over here, it pumped up, and we're like, yeah. And I thought it was going to keep going. I actually didn't take no profits. And boy, did it start to pull back. And did it start to pull back some more. And excuse me, everybody. I apologize. But people, we just kept pulling up. We just kept pulling up. There was a lot of spaces being held during that time. And I think that's a very crucial point, to be having that type of community engagement nonstop. To have that community engagement nonstop is very, very important. Very, very important. And it's something that helps the community feel good and understand that everything's going to be okay. And I just kept pulling up, and we got tested. I was DCAing like crazy. I mean, more than I even wanted to admit that I was doing, but I just kept going. And next, you know, Binance Perpetuals, and we shot up. It being on Binance Perpetuals still has so much potential that it's going to go even higher, because retail's still not in, everybody. So we're still very early. If you felt like you missed Myro and you saw it doing all this stuff and we got to have fun up here, and yeah, people took profits. I know I took a little bit, okay, because I really DCA like crazy during this motion right here, and it pumped. And once I start seeing everybody else take a little bit of profits, I already knew that it was time to position myself correctly. Wait till it found another support and ride that wave. And we had that happen right here. It almost happened again when we went to go break all-time high, and it just didn't happen. We had some consolidation. Right now, we're in this area again where it's probably one of the most lucrative areas to be around, like Myro, because I do believe that this one still has, you know, the potential to go into the billions. It does, because it's already proven itself that it can go into the hundreds quite often. Last bull cycle, when projects will get into that $200-300 million market cap, it would take literally like a week. Next year, $1 billion market cap, or $800 million market cap. It was just wild how fast they could shoot up and everything like that. And I think that that's going to happen again. I think the PTSD from the bear market's curing little by little. It's going to take a little bit of time. Obviously, you can see people taking the position. Some people don't know how to hold that long. But you know what? You're supposed to be taking profits, right? It's not financial advice, but profits are better than wages. And right here, I don't think that this one's done, right? This is probably a good entry point on Myro, because it's exactly before Binance Perpetuals. This is probably as oversold as it's going to get over here before it starts to turn around. Okay, everybody? We see Fofar in the house, man. I see you guys tuning in. Let's bring up MSI next, everybody. Let's go to Myro's X page really quick. We got Monkey Inu coming up next. Is MSI in the house? Is MSI in the house? All right, let's see what we got going on over here. Okay. Shout out to Dust to Doom, man. Myro to rescue. NFA, not financial advice, but it would not be wise to let this opportunity slip by. We are taking this to the billions soon. Love this, man. Dust to Doom is rocking with me. Tag me in as well, man. That's what we're going to do, man. I'm rocking with you guys all the way. So long as Myro's always rocking with me, I'm always rocking with Myro, man. We are here to stay, right? Okay. Myro over here on the beach counting his money. Dollar bills, y'all. Oh my God, man. Absolutely amazing, man. Absolutely amazing. I think everything's going good. We got this OKX. This is probably some of the bigger stuff. 2 days left to climb the leaderboards by trading. Okay. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. I like this. Bulls always win. I like this. This is that Scarface outfit right here. I like that. That's that Scarface suit. We got 181 people live with us, 155 on X, the rest over here on YouTube. Absolutely amazing. You sound a little under the weather, Rico. Get some rest and hydrate. Yes, man. I am, man. I'm actually feeling a lot better, man. Yeah, I'm still sick. I threw up right before the stream. I threw up right before the stream and then brushed my teeth and got out, man. It is what it is, man. I'll get some rest. Don't worry. It's go time right now. How would it be if I told you guys to go hard nonstop and I get sick and I become a hypocrite? How would that be? Come on, man. I got to practice what I preach, man. I wouldn't be able to look myself in the mirror if I didn't. Oh, my God. So Myro's looking good, everybody. Myro's looking good. Doing really well. I mean, loving what we're seeing. We got 183 people live with us today. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Let's go to MSI, Monkey Inu, everybody. Big things happening over here. I clicked on, remember, we got two pools over here on XPX. We got the BNB pool, and we have the FEG token pool. We got two pools running side by side, doing very, very, very nice, everybody. You guys do not want to miss it out. Turning this thing right back around. The financial infrastructure that we're building, the payment solution we're building. This is what we're doing. We're not chasing a bunch of other stuff. This is what we're doing. We're doing all things payments. We're focusing on that because that's where the money's at. So we're focusing on where the money is at, okay? Because Rico Moneybags saw what happened in the bear market, and we're going to make sure that we got money coming in no matter what the market is, okay? And that's down the road, right? That's a Web3 marketplace that's going to be helping us out. That's a merchant that's going to be helping us out. You guys don't even know, man. About 4 days ago, I had a meeting about the merchants. Absolutely amazing. The area that we're going to be wanting to take over is going to be next level. You got to check out the videos on Kendu Main X of the IRL shilling yesterday. Yeah, I seen it, man. I seen it. I seen the Mercedes, man. I seen it, man. I checked it out, man. We're at an hour and 46 minutes. We're not even done. We got 183 people with us right now. Now, MSI just got listed on BingX. This thing's not going to stop, everybody. This thing's breaking records right before your eyes. This thing's not going to stop, everybody. It's not going to stop. All right? It's not going to stop, everybody. It's just got listed on BingX. More listings on top of more listings right here. Let me like and retweet this. BingX saying, what's up to MSI, man? This is going to be more people looking at what's going on with MSI. More eyes on MSI. Okay? More eyes on this one right here. Nice. Okay. This is cool, actually. Hey, MSI, I want one of these. Okay, hey, come over here to this EliPal as well, everybody, because this is pretty huge. Let me give EliPal a follow. Tap in on this and step over to the next thing and go to the next. I like this. This wallet looks cool. I'm going to do some more research on this wallet right here. Very nice. How many of you guys have an EliPal wallet? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat how many people actually have an EliPal wallet. This thing's pretty cool. I like this. And to be honest with you, they're going to be super nostalgic. Like, these are some of the first, cold wallets getting designs and all that stuff. Super cool. I know their game's almost done. They're working on their mobile game, very close to being finished. This thing looks cool, man. That wallet does look cool. Like it. I know their game's almost done too. They're working on the game. So big things are happening over here. Calling Elon Musk to tweet Doge, MSI, meme coins. Man, that'd be crazy. I mean, this could probably get Elon to say something because it's just so it's so wild, MSI it's a wild name. Monkey Inu is a wild name. And if you ever thought it was not going to get listed, it's getting listed on everything. Because these exchanges don't care what the name of the project is. What they want is more users getting onboarded, and what they want is more people trading on their exchanges. They don't care what it's called. Back in the day, it used to be a little bit different. We used to have to beg them, but not this time. They want everybody to get on there so they can either liquidate people, so they can have people on their services, so they can upsell you on whatever they got on their exchange. So they want as much volume and they want as much interaction as they can get. Okay, that already is turning back around. It's at 143%. We're at 150%, but I took 50% of that the profit off the table. Because like I said, profits are better than wages, everybody. So MSI is looking good. MSI most likely going to 100 million and beyond. The chart is so fresh. The idea is so brand new. The developer's on fire. He's throwing on everything. He's not stopping. He has a loud voice. He has a strong influence in the space. Somebody that has been doing this for a very long time. just as long as I've been doing it. I remember when I started, I seen him. So we've been in the space for a while. We know the ins and outs. And he raised 520 something ETH, everybody. That says a lot right there. When you raise 520 something ETH, you got more money than what's a lot of people's liquidity. It's going to keep moving, everybody. It's going to keep moving. 180 people live with us, man. Make sure you guys are running up the likes, man. If you guys have not hit the like button yet, then you don't like your bag that you're holding. If you have not smashed the like button, you're not subscribing, you're not leaving a comment, then you don't care about your bag. You don't care about your bag. You must smash the like button if you care about your project. If you don't care about your project, you're not doing. You gotta check all the boxes on the list. You got to check everything. Did I hit the like button? Yes. Am I subscribed? Yes. Did I do this? Yes. Even if it's not on my channel, forget that is my channel on all other aspects. Did I go to, MSI's X account? Did I retweet this? Did I do that? Ask yourself, are you taking the initiative? Are you doing things that you know needs to get done without nobody asking you? Are you doing these things on a daily basis? Because you have your hard-earned money invested in it. Are you doing these things? Are you doing what it takes? We got 2,100 holders right here. I mean, the market pulled everybody back. We'll grab this price range and just show you guys what you guys are. You guys have to be able to weather this stuff. Look at this, 50% retracement, 54% retracement. This was a 62% retracement. It happens in the space, everybody. It happens in the space. These retracements, you guys are going to have to be able to handle them, okay? Now, I do want to go over to Feg Token really quick. Give Feg Token a shout out, because if not for Feg Token and these gorillas that took me in with open arms early on and then launched, Smart DeFi, my project would not be where it's at right now. So come over here, check out Feg Token, give them a follow at Feg Token. There's some Dubai marketing that's going to be happening. I'm going to make sure these guys see XPX. I'm going to test their marketing capabilities, because you know what? If they're going to be looking at Feg Token, if they're going to be looking at Smart DeFi, there's no way that they should overlook XPX, the first off-ramp solution on Smart DeFi, okay? One of the first projects bringing utility from the outside into Smart DeFi, because I love Smart DeFi, because I've been pounding on my chest like a gorilla for years already, okay? And can't nobody take that away from me, okay? I am Feg Token, okay, everybody? Go back and check the receipts. I don't think there's a YouTuber that has ever held the hand of Feg Token this long, or this community, because this community held my hand. This community's been with me, right? And we can't fade one another, okay? When the markets are in turmoil, it's amazing to see the strength of the Feg Token community. Your faith in buying during the down market is a testament to your belief in our ecosystem and technology for the long run. How strong these shakes Hold strong, these shakeouts create fear, and fear leads to emotional trading. That's what you don't want to do. Smart DeFi is more than just a launch pad and RWA tokenization protocol. It's the gateway for new ideas and new investors to prosper in the space. Feg Army strong. Let's go. What's up? We got 180 people still rocking with us live, man. Appreciate you guys. Big shout out to RTR Crypto, man. This is a broski right here, man. I mean, if you guys have to understand, this man is super dedicated for your Feg Token bag. There's not many people that are just going to be going hard nonstop. If you guys are not giving him a follow, make sure you guys give him a follow at RTR Crypto. Man, this guy is relentless. You guys see him working nonstop. And this guy does a lot of stuff in IRL as well that you guys don't even know, just to get things to where they need to be, okay? So, man, massive amount of respect to RTR Crypto and the whole Feg team and everything that the Feg team does. The Feg team does for this protocol. Big shout out to Rocks. Big shout out to Steve Chop for setting up this Dubai marketing stuff. And we're gonna see what these Dubai marketing guys bring, man. I know Steve Chop's putting the squeeze down on them and getting the best deal possible and doing his dance with these Dubai marketing guys. But we're gonna see what these Dubai marketing guys got, man. If they really know how to peep game. Because XPX is here to stay, and we're going to get their attention, man. We're going to get their attention. We are going to get their attention. We're going to be all over. We're not going to stop. And it's going to be a real test. It's going to be a real test of what they're bringing to the table, honestly. And trust me, I'm going to call everything how I see it. I will call everything how I see it. I will go and climb to the top of the mountains and let everybody know exactly how things are going, okay? We're not going to play cute. We're not going to be cheeky, how some people say across RTR. Yes, RTR dropped out of medical school for Feg. Yes, I know. You guys know he was here in Las Vegas, right? I'm cool with Broski. Yeah, he was going to school here in Las Vegas. Yep. Yeah. So that tells you a lot. RTR dropped out of medical school for Feg token in 2021. Yes, I remember, man. Here in Las Vegas, man. I've been in the market. I've been with you guys since back then. We got 182 people with us right now. And you know what? People like RTR, people like me, people like Steve Chow, we're going to keep doing what we got to do. Steve Chow's been around since back then as well, doing everything he can do for, helping the marketing side of Feg token. So we're going to see what's up, man. And we're going to see what's up with these 7 media people, man. We're going to see. We're going to see what's up, man. If they didn't mention any smart DeFi tokens, I would be really disappointed in what they say they're bringing to the table. I'll be honest with you guys. Their best thing to do is to highlight Feg token, but highlight smart DeFi to the fullest and highlight the projects that are doing really good on smart DeFi because we are smart DeFi. So it would be in their best interest to do so. We'll just talk about it if they don't. We'll just talk about it if they don't. We're gonna highlight everything, everybody. We're gonna make everything as transparent as it's supposed to be. We're not gonna do none of this cheeky stuff, pretending like they don't see this, no, we're gonna make sure. And if we don't, then we just talk about it. Then we just say, hey, I wonder why they're not, right? Because that would be funny, right? That would be weird. That would not be correct because, we're holding it down and we're here to make smart DeFi look good. So it'd probably be the best thing to do is 7 Media's also take a look at some of the biggest projects on smart DeFi. XPX, Love Molly did really good. Love Molly broke the $1 million market cap went all the way up to 6 million. So that's some notable mentions, I believe. XPX bringing real utility, having off-ramp solutions, merchant solutions. I think that's some notable mentions to show that we are leveraging the power of smart DeFi and we are growing and making it look really good. If they didn't, then I don't know what they're doing, to be honest with you. I'm just going to be honest with you guys, and I'm not going to be shy about it. No, sir, I'm not going to be shy about it. That's why I have a voice. Yep. I will roar like a lion on anything and everything that's going on in this space. And I will just be 100% honest. Whether people like me or not, it doesn't matter to me. I'm not doing this for people to like me, okay? If you like me, you love me. My chest hurts. I've been pounding for so long. Oh, my God. I love that effect. We're like, my chest hurts. I've been pounding. You know what? Even my mom loves Feg token, man, because it was one of the first projects that really took me in with open arms. So, that's why it would be pretty interesting to see how they play everything. I want to see how the 7 Media plays everything because it'd be good for them to support the real ones. They really should. And we're going to make sure of that. And if they don't, then we'll just talk about it. That's just what we're going to do. We're just going to be transparent with everything. We're not going to do none of this not where we don't know and it's all like no, we're not going to do that. If it walks like a duck and it's quacking like a duck, we're going to call it a duck. If they're a top tier marketing thing and they're marketing everything like they're supposed to be marketing, then we're going to call it what it is. Okay, everybody? That's just what it is. Okay, everybody? If it walks like a duck and quacks like a duck, it's a duck. If it slithers like a snake, you're in Vegas, Rico? How long? I've been here in Vegas for 3 years. Since I started the YouTube channel. I got into really bad motorcycle. I died on a motorcycle accident 3 years ago, and my buddy was staying here in Vegas. And thanks to him, big shout out to him, big shout out to Broski. Yeah, I came here to Vegas. Yeah, so after the motorcycle wreck, I came here. I've been here 3 years. Yep. Yeah, my bro was over here. Me and him grew up in the Midwest together, and he's out here in Vegas. And yeah, we come from, humble beginnings, we'll call it that. And I got in a motorcycle accident. I was like, man, I don't feel like going all the way back to the Midwest. He was like, oh, that's all good. Until you get better, just come over here. I was like, all right, cool. And that's what we did. Shout out to Broski, man. Shout out to the bro. But that's what we're doing. I've been here in Vegas, and I'm not leaving Las Vegas until XPX snatches up a large portion of the money that it was all meant to be. I get kind of, I guess, you can say cheesy or cliche with like, stars. I think the stars aligned for me to come here. Even that motorcycle accident, if it was up to me, I would go down that same street again. I'd probably just hold on a little bit tighter. But I would go down that street again and let it happen all over again because it was all meant to happen. Because of that, I came to Vegas. Because of crypto and being here in Vegas as long, I got to experience the bull run, and then I got to experience the bear run, the bear market. And it let me see why XPX is such a valuable asset to this. If XPX, which it will, gets just a slice of the money that comes into Vegas, man, which we will. I'm not going nowhere. I mean, there's been parties, there's been family members that want me to go back and come over here. Come over here. I'm not going nowhere. I'm not going anywhere. Vegas has I want a piece of it. I want a piece of it. And I want this piece to be a piece that gets shared in through XPX, everybody. You have to understand that bear market showed me that everybody was spending money nonstop. The whole DeFi market came to a halt. Las Vegas was fist pumping. Didn't even care. And that's where we're going to be siphoning money from Las Vegas into XPX. Man, that sounds good. Oh, my God. How does that sound to you guys? 182 people live right now. 182 people live right now. Yes, that's what we're going to be doing over here, man. That's why we're going to do all things payments. We're not going to get distracted and start doing a bunch of other stuff. We're going to stay focused on payment solutions, okay? At the end, we got the expo, but that's to network with everybody and to help facilitate our space that we love, right? Networking is how we got to where we're at. So why wouldn't we want to facilitate and help grow our networking abilities, right? Imagine seeing a booth with Crow and Knife. Imagine seeing a booth with MSI. Imagine seeing, a booth of Volt or Kendu. This is how we get more exposure into the IRL. Notice a lot of the things that XPX is doing, it's about tapping into the real money outside to bring it in. That's what we're going to do. I'm not playing with everybody. I've said it before and I'll say it again. I'm not bluffing everybody. I'm holding the aces. We have all the resources to do all these things. It's just a matter of time. And a lot of people don't understand, like, when it comes to like the way that Smart DeFi was designed, like look at MSI, for example, right? The way that it was designed, it was a traditional pre-sale, right? So it has a different aspect to it. The way that Smart DeFi is designed, it's a little bit more slower brew. It's a slower brew transition of these things happening because the way that it was a tokenless pre-sale, we raised 121 BNB. That's a big difference from, like MSI raising 520 ETH. That's crazy, right? That's a lot of money. So it gives you a lot of power. But we're going through the motions, and Smart DeFi is designed to make it kind of a slow brew so it's not as volatile and it doesn't go as crazy, everybody. And it protects the investors. And it actually also protects the developers as well. That's why I'm so bullish on Smart DeFi, man. So bullish on Smart DeFi, and even more bullish on XPX, everybody. And even more and more bullish on XPX. Docs Dev, no mysterious dev. I'm here pulling up nonstop for you guys. We'll continue to pull up. We're going to get a piece of this Las Vegas money one way or another, everybody. We're going to get a piece of this money one way or another. I want you guys to come over here. We're at the 2-hour mark. Let's go. What? So make sure when you guys get sick, I don't want to hear you guys are taking days off. We're just going to keep going, okay? Come over here, tap in with us at XPX token. Very important, everybody. Come tap in with us. We're going to go through all the motions, everybody. We're going to make these things happen. You guys have my word. We're going to make these things happen. We're almost done shaking out these last little wallets. I can't wait till this wallet right here is out. There's a bunch. He's been trading. All his other trades suck. All of them suck. All the other investments they made, they're all in the red. XPX was the only bag that made that person money. A lot of other people too. I've been checking these wallets. They actually, this is the one that we got to exit live. You see, this person had 99 sells, 42 buys, 99 sells, and we got them to sell the rest of it, and they sold the rest of their XPX at a loss. That's what you call a bitter person. That's what you call a bitter person. All you want to do is just hold, everybody. I'm not going to let you guys down. I'm not going to let XPX down, everybody. I want us all to win, and I want us to be a part of this space forever. That's what XPX is built to do. XPX is built to be a part of this space forever, everybody. XPX Pay will introduce a pioneer Web3 marketplace and payment gateway. What makes it unique is its innovative framework, providing exclusive discounts and deals to XPX token holders while offering merchant solutions to existing payment infrastructures. We're not just doing off-ramps, everybody. We're going to do all things payments, and we're not just making up other stuff just to catch a hype on that. We're staying very focused and dialed in. This is what we do here, okay? We're not going to come back later on and make a game for you. We're not going to make a game later on, okay? If you guys were looking for us to make a game later on, sorry, we're not going to do a play to earn. We are a payment solution at heart. Do you guys not want to be a part of a PayPal? Do you not want to be a part of a Zelle? Zelle doesn't have a game on their app. PayPal doesn't have a game on their app. We're not focusing on that. We're not doing none of that. We're focusing only on payment solutions because we want a piece of every transaction that's happening everywhere, forever. And that's what we're going to do, everybody. 185 people, man. You guys got me turned up, man. You guys got me turned up. Over 2 hours on the live stream. Absolutely amazing. Make sure you guys understand that we have asset backing as well. Asset backing is a feature thanks to Smart DeFi, the launchpad I love so much. XPX is coded with BNB asset backing, which guarantees a baseline value that increases over time with every buy and sell. What are we talking about right here, everybody? On the Smart DeFi chart right here, got 185 people. Absolutely amazing. I'm not even done, everybody. I'm not even done, everybody. Laser eyes are on right now. This is that baseline value. It's going to go up forever and ever and ever. The value of XPX, you're watching a blue chip be created right before your eyes. The baseline value is going up, 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 up. Why? Because every transaction is being backed by BNB. That's why you can take out a loan against your XPX token. That's why. Because it's actually being backed by BNB. If it wasn't being backed by anything, nobody will give you a loan on it, no matter what we promised them. I'm just being honest with you guys. Why is it able to take out a loan? Because you're taking out a loan against your asset-backed value of your XPX tokens that are backed by BNB, everybody. And yes, lending is live, everybody. And as our asset backing goes higher and higher and higher, and this right here goes higher, the more that loan will be that you're able to take out. Staking is also live, everybody. Staking is also live. So staking is live. The staking protocol is live, where right now we're letting everybody receive XPX tokens, which hold on to them, everybody. Hold on to them, because there will be a supply shock eventually, everybody. There will be a supply shock where eventually you won't be able to get that, that the scarcity is happening right before your eyes. So keep playing with it if you want. Keep playing with it as you want. But eventually you're going to be like, I can't believe for $100, I can, like, oh, right here. Let me go over here. Let me show you guys this. Let me scroll down. How much is XP? Where can I, 1 second. Let me show you guys. This right here is going to change. How much XPX can I buy with $100 right here? This right here is going to change, everybody. The amount of XPX you're going to get, that's going to be changing, everybody. That's going to be changing, okay? So $1 will get you this much. $100 will get you this much. This number is going to keep going down. You're going to be like, man, I can't believe I could have had that much for $100. That supply shock is going to happen, and you're going to wish that you held on. You're going to wish that you held on. And when Smart DeFi, whatever update they get done, I'm going to show you guys how many wallets I got with nothing but green dots. Nothing but green dots, because I don't think everybody understands supply shock that well. That happens, everybody. It's going to happen. It's going to happen, and there's going to be a price discovery that also happens, and it's going to pump up. So make sure that if you're holding your XPX, you have it staked up, you're holding for gold, and, hey, keep grinding for your bags, keep pumping your bags, and let's turn this thing around. We're going to turn it around. Those early investors that got in, that the only thing that's green is XPX in their wallets, all their other ones are down. Eventually, they're going to be all the way shooken out, and it's just going to be us. It's just going to be us. All right, everybody. I think we had a great stream. And I think my stomach is ready for another round. Don't want to bore you guys with that. I can feel it right now. 1 second. Wow. All right. My bad, everybody. Oh, my God. All right. So give us a follow over here at XPX Token. I'm going to post this right here. We had a 2-hour show today. Absolutely amazing. 185 people tuning in live. Oh, my God. My bad. Like I said, it's coming back. So I'm going to have to get off the live to go handle what I got to handle. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. It's crazy. Make sure you guys tap in with me. Hit me up in the DMs if you guys want to get more exposure. If you guys got something special that deserves more exposure, hit me up. Let's get that stuff out there. I mean, today we had a crazy great live stream, over 2 hours, 2 hours and 10 minutes, 185 people live, baby. No matter what, going hard. No matter what, doing what we're supposed to do. I mean, backed by an amazing team right here, XPX, man. I see David still in the chat. I mean, always holding it down for us. Gonna tap in with him. We got some things working because we're making sure that XPX is gonna be here long term, everybody. We're not looking at this is not just this little sensation thing, man. Imagine being a part of, these payment infrastructures very, very early. Nobody told you that money was going to go from gold to dollars. Nobody told you that it was going to go from dollars to checks. Nobody told you it was going to go from checks to debit cards. Nobody told you it was going to go from debit cards to credit cards. Nobody told you that it was going to go from these, which it was already digital in the sense once it got there, but where it's going to go now, where it went from these digital, debit cards and credit cards to everybody tapping everywhere with their phone. And that's why the first part of the off-ramps we're going to roll out is the digital Visa cards and MasterCards. Depending what country you're in, you're not going to need a VPN. It's not going to be no mysterious, shady stuff that you got to connect, in some kind of dark web way. No, it's just going to be all the way legit, clean. And that's why me and David are taking care of some things to make sure that this is a business model that will last a very, very long time. And it is here to stay, everybody. But nobody lets you guys know. I'm letting you guys know right now that we are at the forefront of the financial infrastructure, changing its costume, changing the way it looks. And one of the ways that it's going to wear and one of the ways that it's going to look is going to be a very nice suit and tie. And one of those suits and ties is going to be a nice purple suit, looking very good. Maybe I might go to the expo dressed up like that. That'd be pretty cool, right? Let's see if we got some of those. I love those. They look great. Let's scroll down. Looking sharp. What? Look at that. Crypto is putting on a suit and tie. That suit and tie is called XPX. Make sure you guys do not miss out. Make sure you guys like and comment and subscribe to this channel. This channel is for you. Even if you're not holding XPX, you could be holding whatever favorite project you are. This channel is for you. If you want your bags to grow, you want this channel to grow, okay? Make sure you guys tap in with us. You guys know the deal. Much love and respect. If you guys can't keep coming back, or you guys can't like, comment, and subscribe, then keep coming back and experiencing the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is.